the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so cool inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was done. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you.
It's good, chat. So welcome in. Welcome in. Good to be back.
And that cross couldn't break you.
Let's get rolling.
Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you.
W's in the chat. Happy Friday.
Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar,
Recording in progress.
wash away my shame. Glory to
Recording
the
stopped.
Father, you deserve the praise.
All right.
Lead me to your altar,
Welcome
wash
in.
away my shame.
Welcome in. Welcome
Glory
in.
to the Father,
Glory to the Father.
you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar,
Glory.
wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead
Hope you
me
guys are
to
doing
your
well.
altar,
Welcome in.
wash away my
Welcome
shame.
in. Happy Friday to you guys. How you guys doing? Good to be back. Good to be back. How was CPI day for you all? How'd you guys do? What up? 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 W's in the chat. What up, traders next door? Z Gamer is in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Energy? What up, Zyper? What up, Dropout Trader? Louis G in the building. Good to see you in London session. Good to see you. Good to see you. What up, Januar? Give him a respectable Januar for his performance. Yes, sir. What up, 808? What up, Stevie Mac? YOLO Trader in the house. What's good, YOLO Trader? What up, Alexandros? Good morning, guys. Good morning, Stevie Mac. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What up, Ecom Dre? Buzz Blab in the building. What up, Lazy Panda? What's up, AJ? Who else we got here today on this lovely Friday, man? I missed you guys yesterday. Stephen B is in the house. Don't worry about the trade and about the candle. The news is coming. Just relax. Just relax. Lightskier in the building. Yo. What's good? What's good? What up, Vector? Yo. What up, Vibes? Vibes in the house. What's up, Carolina? Yo. Ayush in the building. What up, Ayush? What up, Bearberry? What's good? What's good? How you doing? What up, Xander? How you guys feeling today? Happy Friday. Welcome in. How'd you guys do on Thursday for CPI? I missed you guys. My power was out, but now it is returned. The power was down, but now it's up. What's good, Kelvin? What's good? What's good? Yeah, man, power went down in Asian session, and then basically stayed down for like, I don't know, I think like maybe 18, 19 hours. Not too long. It wasn't too crazy. Ended up coming back last night, a little bit before pre-London, so we ended up streaming London session in the clubhouse, and now we're back here. Let's go. I really do appreciate everyone's prayers. Thank you guys very much. Thank you very much for your prayers. Speaking of prayers, we're going to go ahead and pray real quick, and then we'll get the day started here. What up, Zebs? What's good, Cannon? Cannon. Yeah, what up, B21? Yeah, let me pray for you guys real quick, and then we will go ahead and get started. Father in heaven, Lord, we come to you, Lord. We thank you that we can just gather together, Lord, in your name and have your presence here to dwell amongst us, Lord. We thank you for the spirit of victory, Lord, that is just hovering over us, blessing each and every one of us, Lord. We just give you the glory for it. We know that all good things come from above, so we thank you for those good things, Lord. We thank you for what you're doing here in this community. We thank you for blessing the land here, blessing the seeds that are growing here, Lord, and ultimately making an incredible harvest. So, Lord, we know that the harvest is plentiful, but the workers are few, Lord. So I pray you would send more workers, more diligent entrepreneur day traders stepping up here to change their whole entire generation, Lord. We thank you for it. We give you all the glory that's gonna happen. It's gonna take place right here at Time D Trading, Lord. We give you the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Lots of lives being impacted, lots of hearts and minds being changed, lots of improvements being made all around. W year, man. Give yourselves a round of applause, man. It's been a great year for the community, for each and every individual within the community has just been, stepping up on a whole nother level. So W to all you guys. Way to go. Congratulations. This, I think, is going to be my best trading year to date, and I know we have so many other stories like that in the chat. So congratulations to you. A round of applause, gang. What a year it's been. We wrap it up here in the next 2 months, and man, oh man, it's been one for the books. One for the books. Let me just send out the Zoom link here, and we will get rocking and rolling today. Yeah, we got news coming in at 8:30, I believe. So just give me 1 sec. Boom, boom. Hey, if you guys are not in our free Discord, you can join the free Discord. Come on in. Welcome in. There's over 9,000 entrepreneur / day traders in the Discord, man. 1 sec. My mouse is tripping here today. All right, cool. All right, Zoom link is out. We are good to go. Let's get into the day here. It's another day. It's Friday. It is the 11th day of October. Let me just grab let me share the screen. I forgot how to stream. Hold on 1 second. How do we do this again? Where do we go? Okay, cool. Perfect. You know, one day off the rocker, and it's like, how do we do this again? All right, perfect. All right, sweet. Okay, anyway, it is October 11th, or as most of you guys would say, the 11th day of October. It is Friday. It is the last day of the week, and yeah, we're going to see if we can close the week off strong here today. So keep in mind, we do have some news coming in here at 8:30. As you can see, you're going to have USD, PPI coming in here today. You got the core, you got the month-to-month. A little bit later, around 9:45, you'll have a little bit of a meeting from the Fed. Nothing too crazy. I think what we need to look out for later on is more so going to be the prelims coming out here. So these are I would say these two and these two are going to be the bigger news events in front of us here today. So we'll keep an eye out for those events. And other than that, pretty smooth sailing, man. Yeah, CPI is out of the way. Finished that up yesterday. I did not trade at all yesterday, being that I didn't have any power. But yeah, overall CPI done. What up, everyone in Zoom? Let me just share my music with you guys. Boom. Okay. Yeah, no trade day for me yesterday, but overall good day so far. We'll see if we can close the week out strong here. So let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis. Let's take a look at gold here. Some price action here on gold, and let's do a fresh breakdown. Let me just lower the music a little bit. Should be good. All right, perfect. How's the music, chat? That should be good, right? Let me know quickly. What up, AV Mike? Quickly. Good. Yeah, okay, cool. All right, if you guys can like the stream, give the stream a like here, and let's go ahead and break this price action down here on gold. So let's take a look at the daily time frame. We know we've been pretty bullish here for the most part on the daily throughout the higher time frames, especially on this daily candle or on this daily time frame here. So obviously we've been kind of moving up, and you know, we would range a little bit and then continue moving up and range a little bit, right? And now it looks like we're actually trying to create a new support, right? Which is what we did yesterday here. So let's take a look at this fresh price action. I want you guys to pay attention to pretty much this price action here today. Nothing else really matters, right? Outside of what's in this box right here. So that's what we're going to focus on here today at the end of the week, and let's talk about it. So looks like yesterday's candle had closed bullish, which officially gives us a brand new support, right? So you had a support here, yeah, support levels here, right? We just keep making higher supports. So we've officially made a new support there. Let's track back a little bit though, because you had price run up here, create resistance, right? Then we ranged for I would say like a week and a half, right? A week and a half, 2 or so. You had a support here, you had a resistance right there, and that was basically your range, right? So we got this candle here to close outside of the range, expecting the range to be filled now, right? Moving down into that support right down there, but doesn't look like that happened, right? The next candle opened up, barely created a top wick, by the way, and then just filled the wick. It was kind of like a dud, you know what I mean? It just boom, did what it was supposed to do and just stopped right there. So that was the last time I seen any price action. Then it looks like yesterday on CPI day was the day that we closed bullish, creating a new support. So the question is, right, are we going to create, are we breaking structure here, right, to come down, to continue driving down on gold, or are we going to actually close back in the range and then just kind of, you know, flirt around here for a bit and see if we can continue breaking up to make higher highs, so or all-time highs, I should say. So very important zone right here in seeing what we do at this level, right? Because we can also just begin to reject this zone and do something like this here today, right? You have an exhaustion wick to the top side, retest to that previous zone, and then price closing bearish, right? Especially with this candle having very little to no bottom wick, that could 100% happen here today. So let's go ahead and prepare ourselves for both buys and sells for this lovely New York session. So I am pretty bullish based off of the closure here yesterday, but I'm also open to sells based off of everything else that we just spoke about here. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour has been pushing up quite a bit. It looks like this might have been our, yeah, this might have been our CPI candle yesterday. Yeah, I believe so. So it looks like that's our CPI candle from yesterday. Now look, the 4 hour has been pumping, right? So we had a support here that we've been pushing off of. Our nearest support happened right here, and now we're basically filling the range here, right? So there's a little bit of distance left. I truly believe that the 4 hour can come fill this wick. I mean, that's probably where we're looking to head right now, to fill that wick on the 4 hour and then potentially, you know, begin to reject from that area up there. So let's go ahead. That was our target in London. Let's see what things are looking like now. Yeah, so 1 hour range in, you got no wicks on these previous this previous 1 hour candle, closed right below resistance, so definitely nothing to do here. You also have a support level right here on the 1 hour chart, and that seems to be our range. I mean, we got this, I know it doesn't look like much, but you got 75 pips right on the to the top side here. So let's check out the 30 here. 30 is in this range here, so I think buys look pretty clean. Yeah, buys look pretty clean above 26.62 here on the futures chart. And then in terms of sells here, you've got support. Let's take a look at the 15 minute. Yeah, you pretty much got support. Yeah, the only way I'm looking for sells is if we can catch them from pretty much up here, right? So if we close down here, I don't want them. If we close like one shot right here, don't really want it. If we can get some sells up here, that wouldn't be too bad. Otherwise, I think buys are gonna, you know, work out here for the most part. So as of right now, I'm going to have buys above 26.62. I'm gonna have sells below 26.53, and then we will adjust after news. Yeah, we'll adjust after news. Price just gonna range here until about 8:30, maybe 8:20. We're gonna start pushing out of this range, and we'll see where we go. But I am not gonna be taking a trade here for the next 30 minutes or so. Just gonna let news come out and see which way price wants to move here. So that is my day as of right now. Again, these will all change up pretty soon once that news comes out. and then we'll go from there. Cool. Boom. Pretty simple for the most part, though. That's what I got. That's what I got. Yes, we took buys earlier in the London session on Goldie. These were our buys that we took. So we didn't want to touch any of the sells. Let those all kind of play out. I just came to London to take buys. So once we had that confirmation, took a fade position right here, and it was a good trade. Good trade. But that was it for me today. 4-hour target tapped. Possible fade, yep. Possible fade. We'll see what happens. I do believe that there's more room on this 4-hour candle here, right? So, yeah. 4-hour could definitely fill that wick, right? When do wicks get filled, chat? When do wicks get filled? During when? During high times of volume, right? When are high times of volume? Session opens and news events, right? What do we currently have? We have a session open, and what will we be seeing in 20 minutes? A news event. So that's where that wick may get filled, and then I would look for possible rejections from there. So like, not jump on the sells too early here today. Yes. Yep, we got news here today. Yep. Yes, sir. Options is in the house. What up, options? Options, I promise. I've done the detective work, bro. I don't know what happened here, man. I don't know what happened, man. Got the same ranges? Nice, nice. Let me grab my other chat here. What up, Clubhouse? How you guys doing? Good to see ya. Thanks. Hey, thank you guys for your prayers. Really do appreciate all your kind messages. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, look at the Clubhouse knows the vibes. Look at this. They were answering. I didn't even see. Holy. Yeah. Clubhouse members are just crushing the game. I don't know. What's the difference, Clubhouse? I don't really give any secrets in there, do I? That I keep from the YouTube stream? I'm not sure what the secret in the Clubhouse is. Smaller group? That might be the secret. We do get a little bit more down to brass. What is it? Brass knucks? Is that what they say? Down to brass tacks? Brass something? We do get down to brass, whatever it is. Alexandros is in the Clubhouse now, man. W. Good to see you in here, man. Good to see you. Good to see ya. That's fire. What up, Diogo? Yanosha's back. Yeah, so yesterday my power was out. Went out in Asian session. Not last night, like not the last Asian session, but the one before that. So yeah, it was out from Asian all the way into we were streaming Asian. Power cut out. We got it back up. Power cut out again, and that was it. That was it till the next night, till last night really, which was probably around like 10 o'clock p.m. All of a sudden the lights came on and the people were going crazy outside and the horns were honking, and it was pretty interesting. What up, Green? How you doing? Any advice on how to use risk management on weeks of CPI news? I did struggle with consolidation, got 2 losses. Yeah, you just want to stay out of that consolidation the best that you can. Remember, I've coached I don't know the exact number, but like many people, but traders, right? I've probably coached 50 traders at this point, and coached them throughout this whole system, right? This whole like strategy. And the biggest number one issue which held people back in terms of technicals, was the fact that they kept trading in the range, inside the consolidation. So I promise you, it's just not worth it. It really isn't. Yeah, and every one of these guys and girls find out that to be the truth as well, because that will typically, believe it or not, that's so big. That's such a big thing that's what holds a lot of traders back from really being profitable, is just taking stupid trades in the range, right? So stay out of the range. I think that's going to be your best risk management tips, especially during like a CPI news event week. Yeah, stay out that, like Uncle Scalp said, stay out the chop. Stay out of the chop. No good. Facts. That was, I'm sorry, that was the worst Mexican accent I ever did. Oh man. Oh man. Let's see here. Why do you think 10 pip why do you think profit at 10, 20 pips? I don't. Yeah, I think that's a big myth. I said that on a recent podcast too, that the whole like 10 pip thing is just completely random, right? Like I never look for 10 pips. Maybe when I was a new trader, I did. But go listen to my podcast that I recently did with Calvin, and we talked a little bit about that. What is it? The forex beginner podcast. Yeah, we talked a little bit about you know, all that stuff, 10 pips and things of that nature. So I would go check it out. Let's do Nick Stewart. Yeah, this one right here. I did 2 podcasts with Calvin. One was you know, whatever this thing was called, online or whatever, and then one was in person. So I think it was in this one. Go check it out. This is the one. We talk about the idea of closing partials at 10 pips and all that. So I really don't believe in that. I believe in trading what's in front of you, meaning if there's clean range here, right, then there is 70 pips, right? So that's 70 pips. So if that was 10 pips, then yeah, I would close at 10, but in this case it's 70. So it's really whatever's in front of me is what I want to trade. Yeah. There's really no logic in closing at 10, randomly closing at 10 pips. Maybe, why not 9 pips? Why not 11 pips? Why 10? What up, George Pope? What's good? What's good? What it do? CPI coming in hot. CPI coming in hot. Yeah, exactly. If price tells me to close at 10 pips, then I'll close. Like, let's say I have a target here and where's 10 pips? Oh my God, yeah. Well, let's just say this is 10 pips, right? And I was taking a sell, then yeah, I will close at 10. But in this case, it's 50, so therefore I would just hold for 50. Sandman in the building. What up, Sandman? Let's go, Mr. Lopez. How do you measure your pips? You use the ruler. See the ruler over here? Measure right here. You gotta use that. Then you click down and just drag it. It feels good to be back. It's weird, man. You miss one live stream. It's weird. Been doing this a long time now, man. I think we've cracked almost 500 live streams. Yeah, I know our videos are up now. 400 and 65. Okay, so we're probably at like 450 live streams. So you missed one and you're like, what's going on? I don't know. What do I do with my hands? Yeah, London, like London this night. Yeah, exactly. Like London last night. So London last night was a beautiful example of that. You're right. About really staying out of the range or really like waiting for those closures before taking trades, man. Hi Nick, when the market moves a lot or much, you said wait for some sort of market structure. Can you explain? Absolutely, great question. So let's say the market has been moving up quite a bit now, right? You don't want to really execute a buy here, right? What you want to see is a little bit of a pullback. You know, you may not get that, like news is coming out, but let's just say on a normal day, right? You don't really want to take your buys here. You want to wait for maybe price to move down, right? Pull back a little bit and then create a like support somewhere, right? Because if you try and take a buy here, up here, excuse me, the nearest support is way down here, right? And we know that most of the volume, right, the bigger pushes are going to come off of a support. That's why you see when the supports form here, look how big that candle is, right? And now look, they're dying out slower and slower, right? So now you want price to retrace, plant a brand new support, and then look to take your buy. This will be a much better option for you, because now you're going to buy it off support. And what have we already learned? That the bigger candles are going to come right off of that support there. Yeah, so you see how that's a much better trade. And look at this. Look at the actual setup. Boom, 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 right? Partials here, TP here versus this trade, which would probably have to look something like this, right? You're going to need a stop loss. So where's that going to be? So that's probably going to be down here, right? And then you got this idea popping off, but you're right at resistance, right? So you might end up getting stopped as this thing plays out, right? Price comes down, creates stops. So which is the better position? You know, I think option 2, right? I think if this is 1 and this is 2, I would much rather wait for option 2. And if option 2 never happened and this thing just drove up, I wouldn't really care, because option 1 isn't a good one right now. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? You gotta wait for the best setups. How do you stay long-term profitable? You wait for the best setups and you just rinse and repeat. And you don't care what goes down in the market unless it's your opportunities. All right, price can juice up here. Who cares? Has nothing to do with me and what I'm looking for, my opportunities in the market today. Right? So once you become bulletproof like that, it's a wrap. That's when you start to keep the money, right? Because everyone can make the money, but who can keep the money is the question. How did you guys do yesterday? How'd you guys do yesterday? Playbook video doesn't really talk about how to mark resistance. Okay, I will go over to this one then. So the playbook video is not designed to talk about support and resistance. It's just designed to really talk about the playbook. So if you want more info on that, I will go to range 1, range 2 breakouts and how to tell the story from each time frame. This video right here is going to break down how to find support and resistance. So this video is designed to help you tell the story and do a top-down analysis, and the playbook video is designed for you, once you have your top-down analysis, what to look for when it comes to taking trades. Yeah. Pre-news, 820 volume coming in. Looking good, looking good. Been taking some unnecessary trades and it shows. Yeah, it's no need to do it, brother. Less is more here. Promise you guys, I wouldn't lie to you. Less is more. Got my first payout ever yesterday. Let's go, Lazy Panda. W. I could actually request a payout now on Top Step. I have my 5 days of 200 plus locked in. But I am not going to request it. I'm just going to build it a little bit bigger. Blowing my account for the 10th time. Ooh, yeah. I've been there. Been there. Oh, you're welcome, my friend. Enjoy the videos, and then if you have questions after that, let us know. But these videos are very good in terms of... This one's a 20-minute video on how to really just do a top-down analysis, pretty much. Yeah. Yeah, I will explain, you know, thought process. Oh, man, what's going on here? Hook me up. Hey, raise me some money so I can get YouTube Premium, chat. We talk about top-down analysis, mentality, you know, some exercises, some different habits, things to look for, zones, ranges, all that good stuff. So I would recommend checking this one out for sure. Do I have any premium group? Just the clubhouse, the most premium of the premium that premium can get. The clubhouse should probably be worth like 600 a month, maybe 1,000. Diogo, man, what do you get a fresh haircut every Thursday? My man clean. My man on the phone making plays. He got 2 phones going. Holy, it's Friday. Charts for Clubhouse? Yeah, we could take a look. If you guys have any charts, send them in the charts for stream and we'll take a look at them. Green, how we feeling? Happy Friday. He did get a fade. Yup, he got that fade. You gotta join the Clubhouse to see it though. It's that skin fade. Hey chat, alright, I thought it might have been a myth. I thought EcomJ may only have been extremely large from the waist down. Don't take that the wrong way. But goddamn, this might be the biggest, strongest man I ever seen. He takes up the whole zoom camera, the whole square, just triceps and shoulders just popping out of everywhere. Holy. I'm bringing this dude with me everywhere I go. How much is a flight from Asia, man? Let's get this man to Tampa. Let's get him to Tampa. Aw, man. There we go. Round trip 2K? Oh, that's light. That's light. We got to make this happen. We have to make this happen. How much you charge to be a bodyguard? Can you wake me up in the morning too, just in case I forget about the Clubhouse and the live streams? Just wake me up. Don't deal. Hey, I need a trainer too. I could probably get like a trainer, bodyguard, all this, all in one. Damn. Lucky me. Holy. When did you say you were coming to Florida? When's that yearly Clearwater trip? TT Security, yeah. Between him and Green, holy, I didn't even got to worry about Jacob. Damn. May or June? Oh, nice. Let's go. Let's go. What up, Zyper? Yeah. Yes, top one. Happy birthday to top one trader, man. Really made some moves and headway and made some major moves in the industry this year, man. To think that you know, they're like just getting started is nuts. They recently just did about, they had a guy up 98,000. $98,000 payout. Holy. That's big dog. Yeah, a guy from Florida too. Yep, right here in Florida. Made 100 grand with top one over since July, I think. Since July. Yeah, man. 90, it was like 98,000. It was like a little shy of 100K, I think. How do I get my TradeOvate account to work on TradingView? Connected it perfectly, but no trade symbol. Okay, so you purchase it as an add-on, right? Yes. Okay, so have you closed out TradeOvate and TradingView and then restarted it? Maybe try that. If not, have you purchased the CME bundle yet? Which I think is like $6 a month or something like that. You may need to purchase the data. I think maybe that's could be why it's not there. Okay, yeah, that's exactly why. So yeah, so go to TradeOvate. Go to like your TradeOvate platform. Go to help me out here, Green. Yeah, I think it's called, it's not add-ons, it's subscriptions. Yeah, subscriptions, I think. Go to subscriptions and then you'll see data. And then all you really need is the CME bundle. So there'll be a few of them. Actually, you don't even need that one. You just need the one that says, don't tell me, Green. Don't tell me, Green. Don't tell me, Green. You just need the one that says, yeah, GC or comics or, yeah, there you go. Yeah. And that should do it. I work for TradeOvate now. Sir, please tell me where you are. I'll kindly guide you. I'd be horrible. I'd be a horrible employee for them. Trust me. Trust me. Gang, I'm not the best employee. If you have a business, you most likely don't want to hire me. I'll be honest. I'll say it straight up. See Melly in the house. Yo, see Melly, Yanosh. Appreciate you guys holding it down in Asian last night while we were working on the power. You guys are some real ones. They held it down during Asian. Magnus and a few other guys. George, I think maybe AB Mike might have been there holding it down yesterday. Taking some good trades. Okay, here's the news. Here is the news event. So it's going to get pretty wild here for a few minutes. There will be no trades taken from me over the next couple minutes, but I'm just going to watch and observe. Oh, you're good, Louis G. Yeah, anyone else that was there, man, appreciate you guys. I really wasn't there, but I just know some of the guys that were hosting it, so appreciate you. Appreciate you. The clubhouse must go on. Yeah, we had no power all day yesterday. We were living life, living large like it was 1980 again. It was pretty fun. It's pretty cool when you got no power and you don't rely on electronics. People were actually outside. Could you believe that? You had people outside. They had their water bottles, their workout gear that you know they have not used since they got it for Christmas. So they decided to bring it out today or yesterday. Yes, sir, Mod Squad. So yeah, let's take a look at the news here. Let's see how we came out. I heard yesterday with CPI. I don't know. I'm not sure why gold pushed up the way it did, but so yeah, we got basically red numbers, but you know, right around forecasted. So not much of a change there. Green numbers here for unemployment. So good numbers on the dollar. Oh, I'm sorry. This is CAD here. So good numbers for CAD. You know, okay numbers here for the dollar. So we'll see what happens. Kind of mixed. Kind of mixed. Of course it is. They want to throw us for a loop. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this play out and see where we go from here. See why we didn't want to fade right there too? Because we still have that 4-hour wick to fill. This one right here. Yeah, we just broke previous 4-hour highs, and now you may come up right into that wick. Yeah, I have officially hit the 200 day mark here, so I can request a payout if I would like to, but I'm not going to. I'm going to build this buffer up a bit, but pretty much traded every day since I got the account, outside of obviously yesterday because I had no power. But yeah, all in all, it's been a solid week here. Yeah, average winning trade 220, average losing 160. So getting better on RR. Just almost week by week now. Just getting much better at risk to reward here. And yeah, other than that, pretty good build so far. 1.3. Yeah, not bad. Slow and steady. That's right. Slow and steady. I think you guys were... Did we stream? Yeah, we did. Yeah. This was the day I was down like $1,500. So I was down like 1,500 there on Tuesday, and ended up coming back. I mean, my goal was to see if we can get back to a green day, and yeah, a small green day, but a green day. So small green days here to begin the week, but still not a bad week, you know, up $1,000. I mean, that's pretty good. I used to make that working, you know, 60 hours a week. So not bad, you know, even though they're small days, they add up and they do the trick. Yeah. I mean, today, man, it feels good to be up over $400 before 4 o'clock in the morning, right? When everyone else is kind of cruising into work, just hanging out, driving the other way with no traffic. Up 400 on the day. What trades did I take? Today, I took, this is my only trade I took today right here. Yep. Yep. 21 trades in one day. Yeah, so it's not trades, but it's contracts. So that just happened to be the day I was messing around on the micro chart. So I was normally where I have 1, it was 10. So yeah, that's what added that up. Yeah. Any of these bigger days like this day and this day, it's because I went down to the micro chart and used like 10 contracts. So I think they consider every contract open like a trade or whatever. Yeah. But yeah, other than that, just that one red day so far. And again, yesterday didn't trade at all. Didn't even look at the markets there yesterday. Had no Wi-Fi, no power. Currently floating negative 300. What are you in, buys or sells? GJ Khaled. Yeah, I had to go respond back to that Twitter. I got myself into my first little Twitter scuffle. You know, I felt like a true internet G. Felt good to talk smack behind the keyboards. What lot size do I use? I use 1 to 3 contracts. So I think right now I've just cracked the so now I can actually up the size if I wanted to. So the way it works with Top Step is that once you're funded, so from 0 to positive 1500, you can, the max you can use is 3 contracts. So I think now I can use like 4 or 5. Yeah, I gotta relook, but I'm probably gonna stick with like 2 or 3 for now. But yeah, good trades I've been opening up 1. Great trades I've been opening up like 3. Yeah, I don't like to use the micro, to be honest, because the fees are like ridiculous there. So if you like scroll down to the trades taken, you'll see like, see one contract here cost me like $3.24, and then the same deal here, this one on the MGC, it's the same exact size of trade, but I get charged like $10, right, per whatever, $10 for the 10. So if I take out 2 right there, that's like 20, almost 22 bucks, as opposed to like less than $7. So I don't really like using the MG stuff anymore. I probably won't do that, but yeah, the day I took like 21 trades is all right here. It's because it's 10 and 10 and all that stuff. Yeah, as you can see, most of them have been like 1 or 2. 1, 2. Yesterday I opened 2 to begin with. We kind of went a little bit in drawdown, rebroke the high, which was my entry, and then I added this, you know, another one. So yeah. Yeah, but all in all, last month was really good, and then this month is off to a pretty good start too. Oh, rejections. How can I join the clubhouse? Just hit exclamation point clubhouse and you can pull up. Yeah, yo, little Twitter beef, son. That's how you know I'm getting my influencer game up, son. Look at the chart. What? What's my spread? Let's check it out. Loading. See, Melly, how we feeling? How we feeling? Charts for stream? Yes, I'm sorry, gang. Let's check it out. My bad. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look at these real quick, and then we'll look at charts for stream. So let me just move this over. Okay, cool. All right, let's take a look here. This was looks like gold 15-minute chart. Price on the daily was so bullish, and therefore I was heavily bullish, but price was so overextended. I also thought 4 hour was coming to a close, right? Okay, or resistance. We got a closure below range, but no bottom wick. Bottom wick, I was expecting a retracement. I waited for the bottom wick to flip bullish. Re-break the lows again, okay. Wasn't that big, and then I entered on the re-break of the highs, okay. So I was waiting for the pullback before London open in order to keep pushing upwards. Price on the 15 closed with no top wick. Yes, I know. We were in that trade. That kind of got us out of the trade, man. But this thing hit full target there. Really didn't want to stay in the trade because I love the range. Price hit TP, so W idea. Yeah, great idea. This is an awesome idea. Yeah, this candle closing with no top wick is a bit of a party pooper, not gonna lie. But it's okay. Yeah, great idea there. Beautiful. Let's take a look at this one here. Let's take a look. So, all right. So losing on buys, losing on a buy trade. Reason for taking the long, October 10th. Okay, one contract. Okay, so gold 1 hour time frame breakout. Also a 30-minute pack runner. Okay, entered at the break of the highs. Boom, 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 boom. 15-minute close bearish. Close full at 17 pips. Should have waited for longer as the trend was bullish. Yeah, that's okay. That's fine. You got a plan. Stick to it. I don't know if 17 pips was like the vantage point there, but you know sometimes it is, and that's what you got to take. So yeah, great idea here. Great trade. London Open 916. Yeah, breakout. Beautiful. Yeah, good job. Nice trade. Nice noise. Nice noise. Trader next door. W. Let's take a look at this one. Oh no, I think we reviewed this one already in the clubhouse. Yes, we already reviewed that one. Yeah, if you guys have charts, let me know. I'll go over them. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the clubhouse. Let's go to charts for stream. Okay. All right, we're just going to wait on gold here. Just going to wait on gold for a few. Let's take a look at these charts. This is going to be gold 15-minute time frame. So the 4 hour candle closed above the range. I was waiting for support to form at 9:30. The 30-minute candle closed below with a small wick. All right. 4 anticipated a fake out for the price to move up, which could be the 4 hour creating its bottom wick. Entered break of the highs. Beautiful. Closed 90%. Nice job. This was yesterday, right? Yeah, I've seen a lot of people took this trade. Good work. Good work. Nice trade there. Nice trade. Let's take a look at this one here. All right, so let's see. We got 4 hour target tapped. Strong move up. Playing the fade on the break of the previous lows. Yep, I think this was just like Elisa's trade. Emotions, happy for execution, stop loss. Yeah, so look, excuse me. If you're going to try and short the market, right, on a very, very rallying type of day. So I think it's safe to say we're rallying here, right? So what I would recommend doing is anytime we're rallying like that, just leave the fade for the next day. No fades, no onions. What you want to do is you want to wait for a new range and then a closure below. So in this case, I wouldn't take a sell until that support is formed and then that we had a closure below it. So on rally days, don't try and call the top. Trust me, we've been smoked plenty of times at this point to try and give you this lesson now before it's, you know, you don't need to go through the losses when I could just tell you here, right? So now I would just say, in this case, the best thing you could have done was waited for a closure below and then taken the sell down. Yeah, and if it drives, right? But on these days where you're rallying on gold, whether it be up or down, you want to wait for, you know, something like that. Maybe even sells below here, to be honest. So yeah, that's what I would say. Good trade though. Good trade. Good idea. Everything was there, right? The idea, target on the 4 hour tapped, resistance being formed, all of that was really, really good. It's just now the nuance of going against that rally that I've figured out through pretty much taking losses. That's what I would recommend in terms of any feedback on this trade. Just wait a little longer, wait for a closure below, and then go ahead and take your sells. Good idea though. I like the idea. All right, let's take a look at this one, Mr. BTC. Let's take a look. This one, let me just take a look at gold here real quick. Goldie. Okay, yeah, we're good. All right, so let's see what we got going on here. So this is, all right, so price made a pack runner. Let me see, we're over here. Okay, fake out onion, celery, fades, pre-onion, breakout, no wick. I'm not sure what this is here, but price made a pack runner. All right, hit full TP after I had my stop, few pips above top wick. Okay, yeah, so price, okay, yeah, so we got hit and then we drove. Yeah, all good. Happens. Happens. I think the best sells though were probably below the support there. Yeah. Yo, my mouse. I don't know what's up with my mouse here. All right. If you guys have more trades, let me know. We'll review them. Send them in. Yesterday, something took control of me and had me hitting buy and sell like a madman. I lost all my funded profits. I continue to repeat the same bad behaviors from my past. Yeah, exactly. So like my goal is I can only tell you so much, right? I can show you much more. So my goal is to show you guys, to be a great example for you guys and show you how to not deviate, right? If you guys haven't recognized already, I really, and I'm not just saying this to be like, look at me, but I don't miss, right? I don't deviate from the proven plan. You guys have maybe seen me break my plan maybe once. Maybe once. So that's what it takes. You know, that's what it takes to win here. So you really got to commit to it and just understand that there's nothing for you out there, right? There's nothing for you outside of the plan. The plan will get you to where you want to go. So I'm not that good. I'm really not. I'm just good at following the plan. I showed you all my blown accounts, right? I showed you all the blown accounts, 27 of them. I think we counted, right? 27 or 28. None of that would have changed if I didn't change. If I didn't say, yo, I need to stick to the plan. Like the plan is what's profitable, not me. Right? So I just got out of the way of the plan and just once I started seeing the results, they became so enjoyable, I got addicted. And now I never break my plan, ever. Literally once in 2 years. There you go. Yeah, I think and you know what's crazy? I remember what time it was that I broke my plan. So, right, if you could remember the one time you broke your plan in the last 2 years, that's pretty good. Once every 2 years is kind of acceptable. I'm still a little mad at myself for that one. Green, have I not been trading this way for 5 years now? Even when everyone's saying, yo, change your plan. Right? Even when we were just in our smaller group of friends, right? They all had these other ways of doing it that were so good, yet Nick Stewart was the only one without a job. Right? So you just gotta stick to what works, man. That's all. Yes, sir, Leisker, you got this. You got this, my friend. What are the building blocks of a profitable trading plan? Failure. Failing over and over, doing the things that a lot of you guys are doing, like Leisker and some of you guys are making good mistakes. It's just you gotta come to a point where you don't make those mistakes anymore, right? So those failures build the foundation if you're actually willing to look at it and say, okay, let me stop doing that. Right? And let me focus on doing what's correct in this business. So those failures can make you or break you depending on who you are and how you decide to use them. So they could be the firm foundation to a beautiful, profitable trading career like they have been for me, or they could just become repeated mistakes over and over and over and over again. Kind of like a junkie, unfortunately, right? They want to do better, but they can't. They want to do better, but they choose to continue going back to the junk. So don't go back to the junk. Don't be a trading junkie, if that makes sense. Same plan, Reverend. Same plan, Green. Same plan. I didn't have a job then. I still don't have one now. So the plan seems to be working. Yeah, everyone was trying to figure out a plan back in my smaller group. And I just ran the plan that Raja was calling and walked away from my job. And everyone was just still trying to find another plan. I'm like, dude, we got the plan. Where are you going, bro? What are you looking for over there? But, you know, they wasn't hearing me. But hopefully you guys are hearing me. Hopefully. Yeah. Yep. Yep. How do you sign up to the Discord? Just I don't think you have to sign up for the Discord. If you're talking about the clubhouse, just go to the clubhouse link. But the Discord is all free. Oh, let's take a look. Final day, by the way. Final day. TTE still holding the #1 spot here. Wow. ASFX really turned the jets up here on us, gang. Wow. Yeah, we're still holding #1, but man, they filled it up. Holy. US, Colombia, United Kingdom. Nice. 2 US. We got United Kingdom holding it down here. Come on, guys. Don't fail us now. Don't fail us now. Yes, exactly. Always rise. Most of us just continue to self-sabotage. Yep. Life actually ain't that bad. We just make it harder on ourselves. That's why I can't stand hearing people's excuses. So annoying. So annoying. Sorry, gang. Oh yeah, that's right. We did hit 300 lifetime. Yeah, that's right. We did hit 300 wins on I think that was on Tuesday or Wednesday. I think we're at 302 now. Yeah, I don't think we've added these two yet. So I took this trade here during London session earlier, and then this trade was London the other day. Yeah, so I don't think we added those two, but yeah, 300 W's, man, on the live stream. 300 W's. That's crazy. That's crazy. We average about 45 losses a year. 45 losses a year. So I'll take that. I'll take that all freaking day. All day. You remember the 100th win? Me too. I'm tight because when I did the podcast with Calvin, we were at 99 wins, and he made the title like Gold Trader wins 99 trades. I'm like, damn, bro, we were just cracking 100 there. How's the hurricane? Yeah. By the way, thanks guys for all the prayers. Hurricane's good to go. We really didn't get hit too hard. We lost power for like 18, 19 hours, and that was about it. It was very, very windy and rained a bit, but other than that, pretty good. Excuse me. W Cannon. Yeah, you know what? Sometimes you got to get that. You got to get that out of the way. You know, you got to get that out of the way. And if, right? Big if here. But if you really could take that lesson and not do that again, you've learned a valuable lesson very early on in your career that you no longer have to succumb to later on. Ecom Dre's now he's just flexing. I mean, now he's just going hard. Yeah, too much. He had to do it. He had to do it to us, chat. I'd take my shirt off right now, but not with Ecom Dre up there with his shirt off. Let me spotlight him. No, I'm just kidding. Yo, what up, Josh? What's good? What's good? What up? All right, so rejections here from the top side. So we'll see how we do. We got 3 minutes left on the closure here. 1 hour closure, got 3 minutes also, and looks like we're just in the range here. So there's not really much to do in this range. So we gotta wait for a breakout. Part of the game, Cannon. Yeah, I love the clubhouse, man. Super encouraging. W team right here, man. W team. Yeah. I wanted to see what Coach T has for us here today. Oh, you made 40 trades in over 5 days. Keep monetizing. Hey, yo, chill out, bro. Chill out. You don't know me. You don't know who I am. We trade every session out here, Coach T. Don't ever disrespect like that again. You hear me? You hear me? TK, who's this guy think he is? Coach T, telling us to chill down, bro. I don't think he realized we started the clubhouse. I don't think he realized we started the clubhouse here and we're shaking the industry. Traders trade. Who's a profitable trader in my opinion? Like, what do you mean? Like, out of all the superstars out there, out of all the glitz and glamour IG gurus, you talking about? Nobody knows nothing. Can you check NASDAQ? Of course, my friend. Let's take a look. All right. So we didn't really do much here on the news with NAS either. So, excuse me. It looks like yesterday we did close bearish. My God. So we created resistance here. Not the greatest resistance, a little weak, but overall it is a bearish closure. So pretty bearish on the day. We've been moving down. We're coming into this like 4-hour support level now. We closed right at it. So that's pretty interesting. This is basically your 4-hour range that you're currently trading in. You got the M for millions here, right? M for millions, right? So we got the M forming. I know some of you guys like the M formation. Let's take a look at the 1 hour here. 1 hour is very clean below these ranges here. So you got support sitting here. We could adjust that resistance a little bit to right here. Let's check the 30-minute out, identify what that wick is. Just a rejection in the zone. All right, so 4 hours bear. Daily's bear. These cells look super clean below there. So you got a wick to fill. That'll be like target 1. And then you obviously have this whole range down here, right? So I do like, excuse me, NASDAQ sells here. Just got to wait for a closure. Just got to wait for a closure. Yeah, buys are, yeah, they're a little chippy. M for MT4, MT5. Nas about to talk that talk. Nas about to talk that talk on the break of them lows. All right, I'm gonna keep an eye on gold here. I think there's like 1 minute left. Oh, we closed? Yeah, we closed. Okay, so we closed bear. Closed in the range. Bearish in the range here. Wow, you do have a pretty big range in front of us. So as of right now, I've got nothing. News did come out here though, so in a few minutes we'll do a fresh top-down analysis. I don't think much really changes, but let's let this candle close and then we'll do a fresh analysis here. Coach T trying to tell me I'm over trading. He doesn't he don't understand we're in the clubhouse. Chill out, Coach T. Relax. We're good. We're doing this under supervision. Tell Coach T you're with the professionals now. Don't worry about it, Coach T. What's up, Juan? How are you, bro? Looking spiffy as always. My man, what's that? Oh, let me see that blazer. Sheesh, that boy. With the black underneath? Stop it, bro. Stop it. He's getting turned up at the dealership on a Friday. Let's bring Coach T in the clubhouse. Word. Finished up the week 2.5. Nice job. Nice job, Billy B21. Crushing it. Good work. Top Step doesn't let you swing trade? Oh, no? I don't know about that. Yeah. Buys still looking really good. So keep in mind, right? When we talked about the buys earlier, we didn't want to take these buys, right? These buys don't make sense because the nearest support is where? Right here, right? So look what we have created now. So we've pretty much established a new support here. So if you get a closure now above the range, you should fill that wick and then fill the range here. Now you just need a closure. Yesterday big profits, today nothing. Yeah, that's how it is sometimes. That's entrepreneurship right there. Some of the most wealthiest guys I know, they only make money like 4 times a year. Crazy. Yeah, where is Sebastian? Temperature dropped last night. Yo, yeah, the temperature dropped over here in Florida too. Look at my weather here today. Weather is 70 degrees, man. So we haven't seen 70 in quite some time. Well over a year. So yeah, weather's dropping. Felt good out there. I told Johnny Gems, don't sleep, bro. Don't sleep before New York. But it looks like he went down for the count. Travis, how'd you make out on that account? Did you get your XFA? Another clubhouse member passing a combine. W. My meditation was great, brother. Great. Yeah, pretty much. I stayed up from London. Had to get some work done. Took a little dive into the, I don't know, sleepy realm for the meditation, but that was about it. Grind time. What, you in Puerto Rico? Holy. That man's in Puerto Rico. Yeah, Coach. Coach T. Magnus, how was the gym? We get Magnus, you want to come up here and party with me today? Or are you busy? When I first started trading, or can I ask you, when you first started, was I already good? So I need to hear someone tell me how they prevailed. Yeah, I mean, if you remember a couple streams ago, I showed everybody all of my blown accounts. There was like 28 blown accounts. 28 blown accounts. Yes, me. Yup, over and over and over again. I was horrible. You know, I don't think anyone is good when they first begin something, right? You have very few people who just have this like natural talent, right? Everyone else, they kind of have to make this up with failure and work ethic. So I can't even tell you the amount of times I've failed, my friend. I've probably failed enough times to have many grown men curled up in a ball crying on the couch. But what can we do? We can only persevere, right? So we can crawl in a ball and cry on the couch for a few minutes, but after that, we got to get back to it. You know, people are counting on us. The world is counting on us, and yeah, you got to make it happen. So I have failed over and over and over and over and over again. And just like Michael Jordan said, I think that that's why I have succeeded. So you got to fail, man. Fail forward. Fail. My mentor would say, Nick, you need to fail. You need to fail fast, right? As fast as you possibly can, so you can learn some of these lessons that you're going to need to learn that I can't tell you. You just have to learn it through experience. So there's some things that people just can't get across to you, and failure is required to learn some of those things. So embrace it. Embrace it. I mean, according to the Bible, failure is an excellent thing, right? Because according to the word, it says that every failure brings with it the seed of an equal or even greater benefit, right? Now, that's what I'm talking about, right? You're going to multiply my success by going through a couple failures. I'm in there. That sounds like a good math equation to me. Yep. And then, yeah, it make you proud. Yeah. And then all of a sudden you come out of that, right? So you kind of persevere, you regroup mentally, you stay strong, you work your way out of your situation, and now you're like, I'm a bad man, right? I'm a bad boy, right? Because I can go through some adversity and figure my way out of it and continue to win. So it will make you a new animal, trust me. It's like I'm trying to break your record. Don't break. Let me hold the record, chat. Just let me hold the record. The stream is meant so I can hold on to that record. I don't want anyone blowing 28 accounts. Let me hold it. And please, man, don't come to me like, Nick, I just blew my second account ever. It's already been 2. I literally be laughing at you guys before I write back. I don't write ha ha, but I do go ha ha. If I wrote ha ha, it would be mean. But I do kind of giggle and chuckle a little bit when you guys tell me about the second blown account you've ever blown. I'm like, oh man, how do I tell this guy he's not even near the eye of the storm yet? What am I going to do? Let's go, Tony Gold. Tony Goldeneye. It's like Goldeneye. Records already broken? No. I didn't show you my FTMO accounts too. Haha. Better luck next week. Some of y'all are like, no problem, bro. Give me a week. I'll crack 28. We good. How many prop firm challenges did I lose? Legit, like 30. Yeah. What's up, hacker? White hat. My man Chris from Uganda. Hope you're well. Hope your family's doing great, my man. Jay Moore, don't do it, bro. Let me hold the record, man. Just let me hold it. No need for you guys to go out there and show off and try and blow more accounts than me. If you haven't blown an account, nope, that's a good thing. That tells me that you're much more responsible than I was when I first started trading. So, by the way, gang, you also don't have to go through a horrible time, right? Like, I have some elite members that are brand new to trading. They're just entrepreneurs, right? So they already kind of get the whole mentality mindset thing, and they very quickly make their way into profitability. You know, we'll see if they can sustain it long term, right, over the next year and 2 and 3 years. But so far, so good with these guys because they don't really have much going on outside of like what they're learning, and what they're learning works. So those that put it into practice just kind of win off the jump, but you know, they'll all go through their learning curve as well. Why do I trade on funded accounts? I use both. I use a personal account and a funded account. My personal account's got like almost 40,000 now. So that was one that I just started at 10K, and I took a little withdrawal. I want to get that one to like 100K over the next 6 months or so. 61 evals with 4 payouts. Nice. Hey, sometimes that's worth it. How could I close 80% on Top Step? Yeah, so the way you close on Top Step is that you, so let's say you're in a trade and you got a buy, and you're in this buy and you want to close partials here. You have to hit limit sell. So depending on how many contracts you have open, then yeah, that's how you would do it. Open up a practice account and just try it out a few times. Let's see. I know things had to change when I failed 4 accounts in one day, just because, yeah, exactly. And the issue is some guys have money, right? So they got money, so they'll just keep dumping money. And I'm trying to tell them, look, that's not a good look, bro. It's really not. So, yeah, just because you got money doesn't mean you should keep like making the same mistakes in the markets. Like, you could afford to make those mistakes. I mean, that's just kind of stupid, right? Stupid management with your money. The TT Uni hoodies. Yee. Good idea. Good idea. How many accounts? Yeah, how many accounts did you guys fail before getting funded? I actually got funded like semi quickly. So I would get funded, get a payout, blow accounts, then blow 4 accounts, get funded, get a payout, blow more accounts. Like luckily mine was like not just like a failure, you know, just like no results. Oh, it's a beautiful thing, right, Coach Carter? Isn't it? I'm trying to tell him less is more. Yeah, working at McDonald's. You gotta do what you gotta do. Oh, this orange line is nothing. Oh, my bad. I was just explaining something. Yeah, like my brother Joe, he's been trading for 2 years. You don't really hear much, but he hasn't really blown an account. I think he's at like a break even, where he just break even for like a year and a half, and he didn't even blow an account. So he just recently started, you know, seeing some profit and stuff, which is nice. But yeah, he went like 2 years without really even blowing an account or making profits, just straight up, you know, keeping it at break even. All right, so we got a 15 closure outside of the range here. 9:15 is upon us. Our 4 hour is looking pretty bullish for the most part. How does let me get Magnus up here. How does Oanda's 4 hour look? Some of you guys don't know Magnus yet.
What's up?
This is the man, the myth, the legend from the London session. He's
What's
been
up,
absolutely
everyone?
killing it. Chat, meet Magnus. Magnus, you already know the chat. How you doing, brother?
Yeah, for sure.
Long time no see.
What's up, chat? How you doing?
How you doing? He's where we get that
How
how
you
you doing
doing?
from. How you looking over there on your 4 hour?
Yeah, let me send you a picture.
7-month break even. That's good. That tells me that you're on to something. All right, let's take a look at the 4-hour here. So very little to no bottom wick, huh? Moving on up.
Yeah.
Yeah, this wick right here may get filled.
Yeah, that's why I put the gray zone up there.
Nice.
We might get that filled there. Yeah.
Yeah, I think if we wait on the 30 closure, we got 930 coming in at that point. I think that's gonna be our best bet here. Yeah, best bet. 930 cheat code. Is he from Sweden? Nearby, right? Nearby. Why would you think that? Clubhouse was lit in London session. What a good session. People would be doing how you doing? Yeah, with 50 different accents.
Yeah, for real.
You start hearing how you doing from like 50 different accents. That'd be hilarious. Yes. Oh yeah, George doesn't have an accent. Yeah, George, you don't have much of an accent. That's true.
Where's Johnny boy?
I don't know, man. Last seen in London. Haven't seen him since.
His sleep stops activated.
I was like, you gonna go to bed? He was like, nah. I was like, all right. I'll see you early New York session.
He will, and he gone.
It's 9:18 a.m. and he's nowhere to be found. He's meditating. He's still meditating. Hero of the day is still holding partials too, by the way, from London. Holy. My guy, hero of the day, casually just like takes a bite of his muffin like, okay, I think I'll close partials here. 70 pips up. Good job, man. Good job. John swimming? He might be swimming. Where's Chala? Chala. Speaking of Chala, there he is. Chala, I gotta hear you do a how you doing.
Well, that'd be funny.
I gotta hear Chala do a how you doing.
How you doing?
Facts. Magnus got the how you doing. Yeah, I like that one. That one's better than the New York one.
Oh, you think?
Yes. New York, how you doing?
How you doing?
I gotta hear Chala's how you doing. Chala, record that for us, man.
Travis. Too funny, man.
Please no. Webinar tomorrow? Yes, we're gonna do a webinar tomorrow in the clubhouse. Yes, sir. It's gonna be 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Eagle 4000 will be, yeah, we will be opening it up here this weekend. Yeah, I cannot wait for tomorrow's webinar. I'm super excited to share some really valuable things that have helped me over the past decade, I would say, and really transformed the way I view my day-to-day activity. So I'm going to share some things with you guys tomorrow about goal setting, about really expectations and how to plan and work your plan. So we're going to go over all that tomorrow. It's going to be an awesome webinar. And for those that can't make it, obviously the recording will be available for you as well. But yeah, it's going to be a good one.
How does your fall look there?
My 4-hour looks like this. So my 4-hour closed in 38 minutes also, and I think a closure would really help us out, but I don't need to wait on that closure. Like if the 30-minute closes, I think we're good on that in 8 minutes here.
Yeah. Yeah, that would be 15 minutes salary too.
Yeah. Who's my mentor? Mr. V. Mr. V. I have many mentors, but he's like my main life mentor. I'm gonna make a video on my YouTube channel. It's gonna be titled My Story, and I'm gonna go, it's gonna be like a 20-30 minute video, and I'm gonna throw some cool pictures up there, some old photos, some memories of when I was a kid, of when I was building my early businesses. A lot of my time spent with Mr. V I have pictures of. So yeah, I'm gonna put a video out pretty soon. I gotta take my time and work on it, but you'll see Mr. V. Hey, give me 1 sec. I think someone's at my door. Just give me a minute.
Damn, Simili, that's crazy. Yeah, nice growth. Since April, man, that's insane. Yeah. The highest record from Croatia. Damn. Croatia. Cool, man. How long have I been trading? I've been trading for about 2 years now in total, but I learned some stuff I wish I didn't learn. It's some SMC stuff, and bought some courses, and yeah, so that's from the beginning of the journey 2 years ago. But I've been on the live streams for like 1.5 years, 1 year, 1 year and a half, yeah. Yeah, TK, me too, man. It's the greatest stream. Just niggas is just the greatest person, man. It's so good. Good morning, Carter. Yo, Boss Blab. Yeah, thank you, man. Yeah, so Naughty Gamer, if you mean the one he talked about, the London session, it's in the clubhouse here. Yeah, so TK put a link there. Yeah, cool. Thank you. Yeah, so Harry, actually, yeah, I've been thinking, I've been working with Nick for the past 7 weeks, just one-on-one. We got an elite call today too. That's the 8th week, so about 2 months one-to-one, and it's been pretty good. Yeah, consistent results every month, and you can see some red days. We all know, like, we need to take losses here, but all in all, it's looking pretty good. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Excellent student. Excellent student. Otherwise, I wouldn't have him up here.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Cyber, thank you.
John's fired. You're fired.
Johnny got fired.
You're fired.
Ah, he's just late. There is no late. He's coming whenever he's coming.
He'll be here right on time, I guess.
9:29. He's coming.
Yeah, he'll be here at 9:29. Hey, guys.
Yeah. Oh, let's get in the buys here. Yeah.
Oh, hold on. I think my life may be complete. There's an 11-second voice recording here from Chala.
What's up, TTE fam? I'm not home, guys.
Don't curse me
So,
out,
how
please.
you doing?
How you doing?
Tabs in the chat,
How you
guys.
doing?
Holy.
Holy, how you doing?
Holy.
How you doing? I like it. I like it.
So cool. How you doing?
Okay, Jesus, you can take me away now. I have finally heard how you doing from Chala. Yeah. How you doing? Oh, man.
How you doing?
W. Thank you, bro. You just made my Friday. You made me Friday. I was hoping Chala was going to be like, hey, TT family, and then all of a sudden just lash out, just have a cursing contest. You could have played me, Chala. You could have played me there. I trusted you. That boy Chala. That boy done changed up. Keep it real. Independent, he don't need a deal. That call center mic is no joke, bro. That call center mic is where it's at.
Call center mic.
Facts. He said they hired me at the call center. Next thing you know, they didn't see me or the mic. They were looking for the headset. They said, we don't see Chala, but we also don't see the headset. All right, we'll see here. We got 2 minutes for a 30 closure. 15 really isn't doing much there, so no bueno there. My 4-hour close in 30 minutes here. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, 9:30 coming up.
9:30 salary. How you doing?
Yeah, I think the entry would have to be on the break of the highs, being that we haven't cracked the highs here yet. Unfortunately, that's probably gonna leave us like maybe like
Ooh, that's
30.
20 pips.
Yes, that's big. That's big. But this is a nasty rejection here. So we'll see if this candle closes with no wick at the bottom. That'll be all right for us. But we'll see. How you doing?
Otherwise, how you doing? How you doing?
How you doing?
Just like hundreds of different accents.
Chala, can you send another one back just for me that says thank you, come again? Please, bro. Please. Please. I have to hear it.
Thank you, come again.
Just thank you, come again. That's it. Hey, some of my favorite people in the whole world are my boys from 7-Eleven, man. Them dudes don't play. Hit us with a thank you, come again. What's in the clubhouse? Naughty gamer. Naughty gamer. I guess you'll just have to get in there to find out. Let's go. Look at all these success stories here in the clubhouse. I like this. It's testimonial time here, looks like. Nice.
Yeah, really, yeah.
W Sly.
Yeah, Sly started the question too. It was just, how long have you been trading? And then,
Nice.
yeah.
All right, so we got a closure here. 30 close looking obviously really good. There are some rejections here. So I think the best bet is going to be obviously on the break of those highs. The only thing is those are like 30 pips away, right? So
Yeah,
the only other like idea would be if this candle can come down and make a little bit of a steeper wick here, we enter on the break of the highs, we keep a super tight stop loss and go from there, right? 16 pips, possibility for something like that. But if you don't like this trade or this idea, then don't even bother with it. You know, don't even bother with it. If anything, wait for the next 15-minute candle to close, since it's not looking the prettiest on the 15. And if you get a closure like this, then you're off to the races.
Effects. Would like to see steep below here as the 30-minute also closed, but the 15-minute breaks the previous low already now.
Yep. Yep.
Lovely to see if we can break that high again, and then just push down for that
And
bottom
then,
wick.
yeah, exactly, and then push down, because right now the buyers
Yeah.
are sitting right there, so they're looking to get activated off the 30. They got a buy stop right there, so now they're activated. So if we go down now, re-break the lows, you know, and do something, and then we could probably have buy stops on the break of the high. If it wants to run, it could run, because I don't really like the 15-minute here. Pretty nasty.
Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah. What's up, PM Magnifico? You coming to Denmark yet?
Denmark.
Yeah, he's moving.
Oh, no way. Who?
PM Magnifico.
Oh, snap.
Yeah.
We're gonna start the Denmark office.
Yeah, potentially.
Holy. Is the hurricane done? The hurricane is done, yes.
Oh, PM, that's
It is
cool.
done.
Yeah.
Supposedly there's another one coming behind it.
And TK got family in Denmark.
Oh,
We
no
need
way.
something here.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. I didn't know that, TK.
So Denmark meetup.
Traders chat room. This guy, you're the man. I'm trusting you on this one too, man. This is on the big show, Chala.
Thank you. Come again.
Let's go. Yo, thank you, bro. Thank you. Had to hear that. I'm saving that. He just regularly said like, "Thank you, come again." Oh man, I'm done. Yeah. So if we want to use these highs, right? So like if you get a candle that closes, let's say here, right, and then creates a lower wick on the next candle, then now we can actually enter on the break of the highs, and it won't be like a 30 pip difference, right? It'll be more of like just a regular, you know, break of the previous candle high plus new support, and then fill the range maybe. Yeah. I'm gonna save it. We'll play that on the soundboard. Chala's made it to the soundboard. Yeah, NAS dropped. Let's take a look here. NAS looked good to drop. It did. Oh, no wick at the bottom though, huh? That's not fun. Did Johnny Boy see a crocodile? Actually, he did. He sent me a video. I think it was an alligator. Yeah, the water levels are extremely high right now. Extremely high. We had some flooding. We had a lot of rain. We had a lot of wind. But that was about it. Did we get a tornado warning? I don't think we really got any tornado warnings. Nope. It was pretty. It basically just was super windy and rainy from like the hours of 9 p.m. to like 3 a.m. and then it pretty much just cooled off from there. It's a lot of debris and all that. Yeah, so I don't really like these. These aren't the best on the 15, so I'm just gonna wait. Could fill the range though.
Yeah, if we see like a push up here, we can just wait for the sells when we come fill the wick.
Yes, sir. Just wait on it.
Potentially, because the 15-minute range is kind of filled already. How does your look?
15-minute, yeah. I mean, we have a little bit more distance, but
Oh yeah, on the forex chart we got like 10 pips.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
Have I ever tried to create a new strategy? Not really. If it ain't broke, don't fix it is the way I look at things. Yeah, it's been pretty good. Pretty good to us. What's up, Lights Fire? How you doing? Yeah, this one's been pretty, this strategy's been very consistent over the last 3 years at just getting good results, you know, getting base hits for the most part, and, you know, home runs naturally, grand slams naturally. Yeah. One hour moving up here. 9:30 volume. Was it one of my plays? Yeah. I didn't really like it on the 15 too much. Had a reject. Although we did close above, it was kind of rejecting. And yeah, 30-minute looked good though. Why not the 15 celery? Because then my stops, right, would have been like 45 pips, and it was at a super late entry. Like, this is super late, right? The candle opens up down here. So to enter in on the candle 35 pips away from open, I don't really like to do that. How you doing with a Chicago accent? That one's probably good. Will I do a trade recap of September? Yeah, I think I will. I think I will. That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, exactly, Dominic. We're just waiting for the next best trade here. The next bus. Always a new bus coming.
Yep, always.
A new trade coming, yeah.
Yeah, see, this would be like a settled for move, right? Just because I want to trade at 9:30. So that's the difference between me and most, is that I want to trade at 9:30, but if the A plus setup ain't there, I won't. Where back in the day, I'd be like, nah, no matter what, I'm trading at 9:30. So now it's just like, just wait for the best setup. This one wasn't the hottest, so I let this one go and wait for the next best one. So easy for me to sign off after a W, but not an L. Yeah, that's how it was for me. You know, taking losses and revenge trading is something I would do all the time. And then, like, it got to the point where I started stacking wins up, and then I take a loss, and it got to the point there where I'm like, yo, do I really want to go revenge this and get rid of all my losses? You know, at a certain point, after blowing the profits over and over and over again, you know, at some point you just say enough is enough, right? And then what I would do is, if I took a loss, I'd just call it a day. Just call it a day, because I knew I couldn't really handle losses at that point in my career, because every time I took one, I'd try and revenge trade and get it back. So maybe you have to be honest with yourself and say, you know what, maybe I can't handle losses like a professional right now, right? That doesn't mean you can't in the future, but right now, maybe it's like, all right, if I take a loss, I'm done for the day. I'll watch the rest of the day. I'll come back the next day with a fresh mind. Am I back? I am back. I am on me grind. Yeah, I did it for a while. I did it for a good 2 years, 2.5 years before I really started seeing any profitability. It was a long, dreary time. Yeah, so the 4 hours it's attempting to fill that wick there. So there's no fades for me to the downside unless, like, we're up here.
Oh yeah, your 4 hour is closing in like 20 minutes.
Yep, exactly.
But the 1 hour got almost no bottom wick here, and
nope.
My 4 hour has no bottom wick too.
Yeah, so come that 4-hour close, if we fill that wick, we're most likely going to start rejecting. Yeah, I like it too, Travis. Yep. Oh, see, Melly, I've been trading since April of 24. Been funded with Top One, Apex, Top Step. I've taken 6K in payouts, that's right, and still have 250 XFAs. I blew 4 top tier accounts, 3 Top One accounts, 13 Top Step accounts, and 2 Apex accounts in that time frame. Yeah, nobody's perfect. Excited about what the journal will look like in 2 years. Love that, C Melly. W, bro. Way to be transparent. Way to share the mishaps and the shortcomings, and yeah, it's it all makes for a perfect, beautiful testimony.
Yeah, it does. Failure way to success.
Proud of you, C Melly. Good job, bro. When you're a good student, you don't have to worry about much. C Melly crushing.
Yeah, and it's pretty cool because he could easily just been getting down off that loss, loss of an account, or that with breached account, I mean. Yeah.
Yep.
But he just got up and he did it again. I mean,
exactly.
Insane. Yeah.
Yeah, you know, you're gonna start to question whether or not this is something for you, you know, in a time like that where you blow these accounts. But you know, you gotta have that perspective, you know, and just because, you know, C Melly's been trading for a while, or I've been trading for a while, doesn't mean that, you know, if you hit those hurdles and those losing streaks, you know, that you're not going to think those type of thoughts. But the key is to replace that thought as soon as you possibly can, and just stop being soft and get back to business, pretty much. That's what C Melly did. Yes, we did survive the hurricane. Yeah. Thank you. Is that John? That's not. He's like, yo, is that John? That's not John, is it? Nope, that's Magnus. So those of you guys.
John isn't here.
Yeah, Magnus has joined us pretty much every session for London sesh, and now he's here on the big stage for NY.
On the big stage.
The big stage.
Yeah, appreciate it. Grateful for being here.
Absolutely. Good to have you here, man.
Thank you. And also, Nick, I thought you had the losing streak in February where you had like 6-7 losses in a row. How easy would it have been for you to just switch strategy there?
Very easy.
To just quit, to just change something and go off from your system, your plan.
Yeah, there was probably like 100 people telling me, switch your strategy, bro.
Yeah.
Time to switch your strategy, bro. Bunch of goblins.
I saw them all in the comments.
Bunch of robots. Take a couple losses. Switch your strategy, bro. Oh, man.
Yep. Where are they now?
Where they at, though?
Where they at?
The strategy's still here, kicking. Pumping, man. What a month here, gang. Holy. We're in like the 11th day of the month. We almost got this whole thing filled up. It's been a great one. September slowed down a little bit, like midway through, but after that we got cranking pretty good. And October's off to a great start. Look at October from last year compared to this year. So I think we have more trades already.
Oh, holy, yeah.
Yeah.
Execution is the edge, right?
That's right. And we're only in the 11th day here. Yeah. 86 people here in the clubhouse. W. What up, everybody? Yeah, I would have hit break even there anyway. So save me about $20 in commission fees. Love from Morocco. Did I ever question myself? Yes, man. Look, the game is tough. You know, the game is not easy. If you're going to go out there and be great, you're going to question yourself, because think about this. No one's out there trying to be great. So if you're the only guy doing something, right, that most people really never get a chance to do, and failure comes around, you're definitely questioning yourself. I don't care who you are, right? Every entrepreneur has struggled with self-doubt, lack of self-confidence, right, during these tough times, right? But the best ones persevere, right? And how do you keep going when the going gets tough, right? That's where the why really comes in, and knowing what you're looking to accomplish and what you want. You know, if you don't have that in place, when the going gets tough, you know, you're gonna quit, right? So you really gotta have something that is you know, desirable enough to get you to continue marching forward, right? And that's gonna have to be your why and your goal. And you know, if you don't have that, then you know you're missing step one. So you got to go back.
Oh yeah, and Ace, you got a question. Let's see, what were the challenges you faced starting in your trading journey, and how did you overcome them? So, advice I would give myself if I were to start all over again. So I would say, like, the most thing I was struggling with was with self-belief and all that. So if you mean that kind of stuff, it's self-belief. But if it's just only trading wise, it's probably the fear of executing. And that's what I've been struggling with the most at all times in my trading. That's also why I seek for the elite mentorship and work with Nick here. And I faced a lot of the typical things a trader does, like the over trading, the fear of execution, and switching strategies and all that. So, but it all changed when I just stick to one strategy. Yeah, it was hard in the beginning, but over time it came to me. Like, if you just study it, if you just note down from streams, note down from the clubhouse, and just listen to what we're saying in there, and what Nick says, and what Johnny says, and what Scotty says, and I mean, you will take yourself to the next levels. Because what I've seen here is, the more I'm working, the more the miracles are just coming to me, the more lucky I am, and the more the results just coming. So yeah, the thing that helped me the most was just sticking to one thing, stick to one system, just keep at it there. And the second best thing is that I got a mentor. So yeah, he could help me one-on-one, and he could help me with all my both mentally problems and all the problems on the chart. There was just some minor problems.
Yep.
But yeah, I would say that, yeah.
Some normal problems, you know, normal ones that most
Yeah.
people don't get answers to. And yeah, that's, you know, I love it, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
What a blessed day. That's right. That's right. Yeah, right. Yeah, one thing that's nice about Magnus too is he's not afraid to tinker, you know, and test and bring an idea to me and say, you know, what do you think about this? And we can test it. And, you know, he's not afraid to go out there and, you know, try something, right? And collect some data on it. Where I was saying this in the clubhouse earlier, but most traders focus on good trades, right? Where can I find a good trade? Where can I find a good trade? But what they don't focus on is good traders, right? Because anyone could take a good trade, right? But who can become a good trader is the question. The good traders, right, they make money and keep it, right? The good trades, I mean, those good trades come and go. Good trades, bad trades, you know, you could take a good trade and then follow it up with a bad trade, right? But a good trader doesn't typically do that, right? So you want to learn the attributes and the traits of a good trader before you're so focused on good trades, if that makes sense.
Yeah, because the sophisticated skills required, that is the trader, and the trades you can find everywhere. That's why there are signal channels and all that, and Telegram and Instagram and IG gurus selling that that thing there, but it won't make you profitable over time,
Nope.
because everyone can take a trade. It's just click and buy or sell. But who can like trade manage? Who can cut losses? Who can don't be too greedy? Who can have all these skills mentally required? So yeah, that's the thing, because free traders can take one of the same trade, and one it takes a loss, one takes a win, one gets break even.
Yep. Yeah, if all you needed was good trades, I mean, there's good trades everywhere, right? But what's the difference between maybe someone like me and someone like you is that when I take a good trade, I just chill out, right? And I'll wait for the next best trade. But sometimes what we do is we take a trade and then, oh my God, that was so amazing. Look how much money I made so fast. I could do that again, right? And then that's where things tend to mess up, because now you're not you're not systematic really. You're just blindly taking trades, right? So you want to learn the traits of what a good trader does, so that way you can not only make the money, but you can keep the money, right? And if you can keep the money, then you can take it and live your life with it. Forex Mindset by Jared F. Martinez. Great place to start. Let's go, JR. You got this, man. You got this. GJ Khaled.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I don't know. Me no speaking English. Yeah, so I would have hit break even on this trade, because I wasn't looking to close anything until we either got to that resistance or that 4-hour wick fill. So I think we would have been BE at this point. Can we look
Where's
at
your
NAS?
resistance on the 4 hour too?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait on that 4-hour. 4-hour for me closed in 6 minutes.
Oh, okay, 6 minutes. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, NAS looks good, man. So the only issue here is the candle closing with no bottom wick, right? So I think now if this candle remains below this support level, you have very clean traffic to the left and all that. So what you would have to do now, from what I would do, is I'd probably wait for either a closure below. Let me draw it as like a candle. So like a closure below this new support now, and then the sells look pretty valid. If not, then this candle may close back above, and at that point you just got to play the waiting game again. Yeah, you may even get a little secondary push up in that range too, and that wouldn't be too bad, right? So let's say you get like a push like this on the next candle, pushes up, rejects, you know, something like that, and then the next candle closes back below. That would be really nice. Now you got that wick to fill, and pretty good entry. Caught the fade on NAS. Okay, Ecom Dre. Okay. That's your plane ticket to Florida. Oh, Louis G, what you got? What you got? Holy, little some. Little some. What's this? NASDAQ? Nice. Nice. No wick at the bottom. Yeah, good job. Man, I got this little fly flying around here. He's buzzing around me. Yeah, so I'm gonna just wait on that 4-hour here in 6 minutes. 4-hour, 1 hour, all that to close up, and then go from there. This 1-hour candle still has very little wick on the bottom too.
Rafi is here.
Rafi! How we feeling, Rafi? My Bali boys.
How
What's
with
Gucci?
it?
Yo, thanks for the text, bro. Thank you for the text. Waffy. Waffy, waffy. Rafi, how you doing? How's Bali, man? We cooling down over there or what? Or them walls still sweating? No joke. Hey, let me grab some water. I will be right back.
Oh, Rafi, it's getting hot again. Damn. How hot can it get over there? It's the humidity that makes it fun, yeah.
Yo, yo. Oh, my guy's selling motorcycles? Okay. I only took one trade so far. Today it was in London, and it was not this one right here.
Oh, that was a great one.
Yeah, it was a good trade. Excellent trade.
And W management there.
Yeah, man. Those last two trades, man. Oh, those were beautifully managed. That last one in New York where we hit break even, but we hit it back on the way back into profit. That was super professional. We'll have to go back and watch that and review that trade. Yeah, we got news coming in here in 1 minute. We got these prelims coming in, so here they come. Here they come.
Yeah, Ace, I feel you.
How old are you, Ace?
Yeah, good question actually. Like 21, 22? Or maybe, I don't know, is it like university you finished?
Yeah, sounds about right, university.
Okay, yeah, then maybe 25. So, yeah, 27, yeah.
27? Hey, So not for nothing, gang. I know, like, depending on where you live, like culture, like all that stuff comes into way. But not for none. But I'll be honest. By 14 years old, I personally didn't give a rip what my parents thought. Never mind at 18 and then 21, you know, and then 25 and all that. I never really cared. I showed respect, right? I respected my parents. I never really got out of line. I didn't tell them that they were stupid and that they were idiots, but I always felt like I had a good enough brain on my own to figure things out as well. So, you know, sometimes you got to do what you have to do, man. You know, I wouldn't, if your parents want you to go to school, I mean, that's great. But if you want to learn trading, then, you know, that's something I would probably just do on the low, you know, and just focus on trading, focus on making money. Don't tell anybody you do it. And then once you start making money, there's still no need to tell anyone you trade, you know, just go about your business. Nobody needs to know much.
Yeah, facts. Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep it low key.
Yeah.
Until it's permanent.
Hey, by the way, had I listened to my parents, I might not be here right now. I might be either in a tractor trailer, hauling stone and rock around, really making an impact in the world, or maybe I would be working for my local town, right, and hanging out with a bunch of average, mediocre friends every single day. So, you know, sometimes what your parents want for you, they may want the best for you, but they may not know the best for you. So that's where you got to really, you know, hone in on your own intuition, man. Remember, you were born just like me, right?
Oh, yeah.
Upside down, butt naked. And your parents are just the two random people that you fell into the world. You just fell, boom, plopped into the world, and those two were standing there.
Yeah. Yeah, what you always told me, Nick, was that those who know you the best might not know what's best for you.
Yeah. Yeah. And it
sounds really cliche, yeah, but it's really true. You gotta have that individual thinking.
You do. Yeah. Yeah, like my parents, they wanted the best for me, but they didn't know the best for me, right? It wasn't until I had another mentor step into my life who he didn't really you know, care what I went through in my life up until that point. He just wanted to know where do you want to go? He's like, I don't really care where you've been. Not like he doesn't care, like he's not interested, but he's like, I don't really care where you've been. I just want to know where you want to go. Right? So we could spend our time focused on that, right? And then I can help you get there. So, you know, a lot of times, like we're saying, you know, family member, they always got the greatest advice, but sometimes that advice isn't the best. I mean, you got to really check what's on the tree before you pick the fruit, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, and your culture sets the expectation for what is considered normal. So,
yeah. So
what is thought of normal? If you grew up in a family where the things that Nick would probably say, that's okay, just a family. Imagine a family working 9 to 5 and have done that all their life. That is normal for them. So that the other things Nick would do, that would be crazy.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, for Nick and his kids now, that is considered normal, the things he does. So that's normal for them.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Blue lights are hurting your eyes. Uh-oh. Which company did you get it from, man?
I was just about to ask.
What's the company? Yeah, exactly.
I got this one. It's almost the same as yours.
What brand?
I think it's something called Bloom Oak.
Oh.
But it's not the same.
I think I've heard of it.
It just looks the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like to get Gunner. Gunner's a pretty good one.
I haven't tried it, but it sounds, yeah, fire.
I have Gunner and I have Sleep ZM. And Gunner. Those are the two that I got. Yeah, and you know, like, so one thing I wish I can go back and do is not really tell my parents that I was going to be a rich multimillionaire and that job sucked and that blah, 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 and that, You know what I mean? Like, I should have never put up that fight. So I think the best advice I give to young guys is really just, you know, be grateful for your parents. Like, listen to your parents. If you're gonna do some trading or some like abnormal stuff that maybe their like average mentality can't handle, it's best to just do that on your own. You know, no need to tell people you're gonna be a millionaire or tell people you're a trader and that jobs are stupid and all that stuff. Just do your thing and let your you know, let the results speak for themselves.
You definitely don't want more struggle, and I
No.
promise you it's struggle if you begin that fight right there.
Yeah, they'll never support you, and they'll just make your journey a
No.
bit harder, especially at a young age.
Yep. Yeah, I just said it, that the parents' decisions may be wrong, but not their intention.
Yeah, exactly. Their intentions are
Yeah.
good. So you just gotta say, you know, I appreciate that, Mom and Dad. Thank you so much. I'm really gonna think about that. And then you just log into the clubhouse. That's it.
Yeah.
And by the way, like your people that know you the most, they're never gonna think you can crack that code, right? Because you'll get that crab in the bucket mentality, to where you got this bucket, right, and all your friends are inside of it, right? You guys are a bunch of crabs, and these are gonna be crabs right here, these little circle thingy majiggies with all these little legs, right? You got all these crabs in here, right? And it kind of looks more like a turtle than anything. But the one dude is trying to get out. He's like halfway out, right? And the guy's pulling his leg back in. Get in here, Jim. Get in here, bro. We're not done partying. Get in here, bro. Get in here, bro. We still got years to go to the club. We still got years to hang out. And Jim's like, no, my dreams are waiting on me. I can't do this anymore, right? And they're gonna try and pull you back in, but you gotta get over that hump, man. This right here is the land of the living. Join it. Living, ing. This is where the land of the living is, friends. We want you over here. It's called freedom. Bill and Joe and Jim and Bob, they could all sit back and keep an eye on the fire at the bonfire. You go after your dreams and goals, man. You come back and get them one day. You pick them up in the Rolls Royce or in the Ferrari or in the helicopter, and you say, man, life's been great. What have you been up to, Bill? How's things going? How's the fort? You still holding it down over there? And that's the game, man.
How's it going, Bill? Oh yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Yep.
Yeah.
But
that's why it's also lonely, the path. I mean, the
is.
path is lonely because those who are like trying to get you inside that box again, they're gonna try to pull you in.
Oh, yeah.
But if you really want to go far, you need to get out of that zone, get out of that box, get out of that comfort zone.
Yep.
Once you start going out there,
Yep.
the real magic happens.
They're going to say, what do you mean you don't want to drink beer with us anymore on Friday nights? What do you mean you're going to read a book? Come on, bro. Come on. So you're just better off not even telling them.
Yeah. Too many people hate. Travis, you said it best. Just going to laugh my way to the bank.
Hey, Travis. I mean, you see it, right? Out of our town, out of our group of friends, I mean, who's really done anything worthwhile, right? So that average mediocre mindset will stick to you as long as you keep letting those crabs pull you back.
Yeah, I feel you, Andreas. Yeah.
Yep, that's it. All day, every day.
Yep. Also here.
And look, if you can do that and continue marching on, moving forward, creating and being the best you, I mean, that's fine, right? But if you can't, then, you know, you got to make some changes. Yeah, Travis, how many friends have we had that, you know, have passed away or have gone to jail or just complete off the face of the grid, right? Just gone.
Insane to think about.
All right, so we'll see what's gonna happen here. The news came out. I don't think we had red numbers come out here. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Maverick? I think Maverick's up. So yeah, so we still got decently clean traffic, right? Let's move this down. Let's get realistic here. Let's see what we're at, right? So we rejected that zone. We've kind of really slowed down here over the past 15 minutes on this 30-minute candle here. We're kind of just consolidating. It's not the greatest price action, to be honest. My 4-hour just opened up here. So we are bullish, but, you know, we've been pushing up for quite some time. I think we could still potentially fill this wick here, but the price action is not looking the hottest here, right? We don't have much room left in this range here.
If you look at the 15, we got the support and we got the resistance, so it looks kind of the range there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we tapped the target on 4 on the first chart too.
We did, right?
Yeah. And the 4 still got almost no bottom wick on our chart, so I think it looked good for like a 15 closure below there. That would also break your 4 low again, right?
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. The
Go for the yeah. So that's my 1 hour low. Yeah.
Yep. I see it. Yeah, your 1 hour
And
low, my 4-hour low. I mean, there's plenty of room above these levels here, right? You got 50 pips of clean range when you re-break that high, aka break that 4-hour high. But you know, the daily's pushed up quite a bit here now. Very little bottom wick too on the daily.
Yeah, that's my concern too.
It's Friday too. We don't want to see Pac-Man today, do we, chat? We're trying to keep some profits here.
Come eat in all your profits.
Yeah.
And the 102 here, it closed below resistance, just below it.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, yesterday I didn't take any trades. I didn't have any power, no Wi-Fi yesterday, so yesterday was a no trade for me. Yeah, my RR is getting up there, man. Getting up there. The Quakers aren't going to have nothing to quake about anymore. Damn. What are we doing to them, Magnus?
It's good, man.
It's good. Yeah, so you see how we're like right at that top of the range? Like there's nowhere, you know, to go as of right now. Of course, this candle can juice all the way up and all that great stuff, but you know, you have resistance right here.
Rafi, where's Jaguar?
Hey, believe it or not, Jaguar's squad now, man. Jaguar's squad. I think he's official TTE now. Can we like say that now? I think he's earned my respect.
Transformation.
Yeah, we had a transformation here, man. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes. We love it when we see transformation. We're in the transformation business. See, there he is.
Oh, he's here. He is here, yeah.
Don't be talking about my boy like that now. Hey, man. Hey, by the way, Jaguar, big W, bro. Congrats. Way to go on that challenge. You did really, really good there, bro. Good job. Good work. Good work.
Yeah, W, man.
W. You did good, my friend. So, chat, are we doing another paid competition? That's the question. Do you guys want to do another paid competition next? or do you want to just do another, you know, accounts and all that? I mean, last paid competition, we had I think we paid out $2,600, so it wasn't bad, man. Number one seed took home 1,800. I think number two seed took like 800 plus maybe, and number 3 seed took like 350 home. So it's a decent chunk of change. Yeah, Xander got a bite of that pie. Let's go.
Yeah, I told you, man.
Yeah,
You did well.
he's doing well.
He's doing well.
What do we got going on here today, chat? 273 likes. Oh man, I was expecting something a little bit better than this on my return to the YouTube. Yeah, I thought you guys were gonna like it up since I was back from the hurricane. Damn, son. Oh. Just look at it. Just look at it. Yeah, we'll do some giveaways here today. If we can crack 500 likes, I think we got some giveaways here. I've been holding out too long.
That's possible, chat. Hit the like button.
All you gotta do is like it. Hurricane? Yeah, Hurricane was good. Nothing too crazy. Yeah. Yeah, it's been a good day. We took a win early win here today. And now we're waiting for a good A+ setup. There's been a few setups. I don't think they've really been A+. Otherwise, I would have been in them. But just waiting for that dime to drop right in our lap here. So we're starting to see some signs here of struggle on the 15. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, I bet we get a setup here soon. But we don't really want to get our profits taken. If we already got the money today, got some profits, got some green on the day, then we wouldn't want to lose that profit again, especially on a Friday. That can lead to tilting and emotionals, instability, and all that. So the Pac-Man syndrome.
He's coming. He's coming for them dollars. He's coming for them dollars. Man, I gotta play Pac-Man. It's been a while. Oh yeah, look at this. Looks good. We broke those highs there. Just immediate rejection. 4 hour has broken the high, but let's see what happens here. If you break the low, you start getting closures below. I like shorting from this point. You know, we've been bullish all day. Right? We were obviously bullish on the day. So we did move up, and you know, there could be some sort of a pullback towards the tail end of New York session today. Nors Flex, appreciate the kind words, man. That mayor, bro. Did the hurricane rattle? No, you know what? We didn't really get any damage, actually. Believe it or not, we were very fortunate, very blessed. We had many people praying for us, so that was nice. And yeah, none of our stuff got damaged or ruined or anything like that. It was pretty good, I must say. I must say. Yo, this little fly over here, I don't know what to do with him. I think I'm gonna just let him rock. He seems to be pretty cool. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. This is what pair? NASDAQ. Oh wow, NAS pushed up here? Damn! No bottom wick, huh? Wow. Oh my god.
Wow.
Sheesh.
Wait, was
Nasty
that in the
air.
last like 15 minutes?
Word.
Damn, yeah. No bottom weight down there.
Nothing.
What up, Johnny? How you doing?
How you doing? What's up, boys?
Johnny Gems, he's back.
What's up? What's good? Good morning.
Good morning. What
Good
a,
morning.
what a London
up,
session,
boys?
eh?
Yeah, it was a good London session.
That it was. Johnny boy, Johnny Gems in the house.
What's up, chat? What's good? Happy Friday.
The young boys, baby. This who the game's gonna be handed to right here. You looking at the future. Them young boys, man. Those are rich young men right there. You watch. Give them a year and a half to 2 years. You
Indeed.
watch how rich these
Yeah.
boys get.
Yes, sir.
Affirm it.
Y'all ain't gonna know what to do with the money. You're just gonna be like, yo, just send it over to me. We'll be good. I'll figure it out. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, rich in the mind. Rich in the mind.
Yes.
Good fly.
Yep. My mentor made a promise to me one day. He said, Nick, if you make a promise to me, I'll make a promise to you. And he said, if you do everything I tell you to do, you will be so successful, right? And he just said, one day you're just not going to know what, you're going to have so much money coming in, you're not going to know what to do with it. And this man wasn't lying. He really was. He never told a lie. Never told a lie. But it's very hard to believe that when I was broke as a joke. You know? So I had to believe in him that he believed it. And I just believed that he believed, and that was enough for me. Because I really didn't believe it. But I believed in him that he believed it. And that's what kind of pushed me forward.
Yep. And the Bible also says it, that if thou can believe, all things are possible to him that believeth.
Amen.
Yes, sir. Amen.
Amen. What's
Amen.
up, Only Shot? Yeah, we are safe. We are good to go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
What's up,
John.
only shot?
John,
Thank
you
you, bro.
said that we were rich mentally. Yeah, rich mentally, and everything that's on the inside, we're thinking on the inside, it must come outside and manifest it there too. So
Yes, sir.
once we think we're rich, that's the only thing we can be. So
Right.
just time will tell. Yeah.
This is the only way
course
to
you-
grow it, too.
Yeah. Of course you need faith and belief in it.
Yep.
But that's why the quotes
Amen.
states like you become what you think about, and yeah, all that.
True.
Yes, sir.
Let's take a look at this lovely pair.
What's up, C. Melly? What's up, bro?
S&P 500. Whoa. Holy. All I can say is holy. Wow.
Wow, damn.
Okay,
S&P
S&P.
500.
Wow, that's insane. Is there anything to the left on the daily or anything?
I don't think so.
Oh,
Are we in all-time highs here?
nothing, man. Wow.
Damn.
Yeah. Sheesh. ES on the rise.
Wow, that's insane.
That's SP, bro?
Yeah, S&P 500 here. Let's take a look at
S&P
US 30
500.
today. US 30 today is probably ripping as well. Oh, not as much, but oh, nice celery play playing out here. Let's see what's to the left. Are we in this yeah, man, we're in these highs here. They're getting tough. Getting tough in the US economy. Getting tough. Feeling is the secret. Yes. Where'd you hear that from, huh?
Exactly.
Where'd you hear that from? The feeling is the secret.
Feeling is the secret.
Sounds like that. Sounds like a little. Someone's been meditating a little bit.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
What's up, Derek?
Oh, there's a name of the book. Oh, I never read that one.
That must be a good book.
I
Right
bet
there.
it is.
Yep.
Yo, Spence. That's our Denmark brother right there.
The third brother.
I'm just a clone,
Completes
everyone. I'm
the
just
third.
a clone.
We're gonna change his last name pretty soon.
Magnus Stew. Yep.
Thanks too.
Oh, nice. Let me take a look at it.
Yo, what's good, Rafi? What's up, Energy?
Rafi.
Rafi in the chat. Yo, Rafi, tough L for KC, bro.
Oh yeah, Yanks won
Damn.
last night, right?
It's all good. Your boy Salvi did good.
Oh, that book looks crazy.
Yeah. Any
When it's
book
by Neville.
any book written before 1930 is gonna be your best bet.
Yeah, right. Power of positive thinking, outwitting the devil, think grow rich.
Yes.
You know the deal.
Those may not be the funnest books to read, but they've definitely got the most gems.
The text is a little weird sometimes. But
Yeah, you know, slang, older talk.
yeah.
Us youngsters aren't built for
It's
their
got to
code.
be a great book, man.
Yeah, I'll give this a listen later. Thank you.
Healing
Yeah.
is the secret.
I like this dude too.
Yeah, Neville. Yeah.
Neville, yeah. He's good.
I'm adding that to my list too.
He's good.
Yeah, there's this one fire video on YouTube. I should try to send it in the chat.
Yeah,
So
of
good.
course.
Neville Goddard, man. See if I can find it.
Full send it. Full send. Yeah, so we'll see what happens here on gold.
Talks about, you know, how faith is an ingredient, right, in your success, to get success in your what your desire. Faith is a #1 ingredient.
Yep.
Sounds about right.
Yeah, it does.
Most people can't stay positive long
Talks
enough.
about
You know, so we talk about consistency and all that, but believe it or not, most people can't stay consistent more than 3 or 4 days. You know, so they'll make plans about, you know, and by the way, in the webinar this weekend, I want to help you guys really develop consistency when it comes to moving forward on your goals. And that's not easy, but we're going to break down some simple methods to make sure it's easy, right, for us. But yeah, you got to have faith, man. You got to have faith. Remember, you're believing in something that's unseen, right? Until you actually make it happen, it's all got to be backed by faith.
Yep.
If there's no faith, right,
And the
then
feeling.
you most likely quit.
Yeah, what does Napoleon Hill say in Think and Grow Rich? Purpose backed by faith
No.
and a burning desire.
Yep.
Knows nothing. No, doesn't know the word impossible. Yep.
What's that?
Yeet. I'll just look at the impossible and think, I could do that. Mama. Just remember the famous words of Kevin Garnett. Anything is possible. Yeah.
Yep. Good. You guys take anything this New York session?
Nope.
Nah.
I thought you were pranking.
Nah, nothing, bro.
Just that one trade in London, boys.
We're looking at this as an option, but didn't really like 15-minute. Yeah.
Did we feel the weight there on the futures?
Yeah, almost. Yeah, just about. We're getting there.
Yep.
So just a one trade.
Yeah, just a London session trade. Yep.
Bro, after the London session, I went and got a walk. Then I had a Bible study, did some stretching, and then I was doing a meditation on my chair, and I just knocked out, bro.
You got an
Bro,
alarm?
Yeah, I set an alarm, and I didn't even hear it, and I just knocked out on my chair, bro.
Dude was out.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
He
I was
out.
like, well, damn, bro. At least I didn't miss anything.
Nah, you didn't. Hebrews 11:1. Yes. Yeah, faith is what is hoped for. Yes, exactly. It's not seen, right? But you are convicted. Yep. That image in your mind's got to be crystal clear. James Allen, As a Man Thinketh. Yeah, that was a great book. Highly recommend you guys read that book.
Yep.
As a Man Thinketh by James Allen.
Yeah, that's one of my next two.
If the feeling is the secret to having good actions, and having good actions is to get good results, then what's before feelings? And that's the thoughts, right? What does Bob Proctor say? Thoughts trigger feelings, feelings trigger actions, actions trigger results, right? It's that concept. It's that like formula, you know, you should try to go for. It's the route you should try to take.
Yeah, believe it or not, at
Thoughts
30,
are the starting point.
at
It's all
30,
great achievement.
yeah, at 34 years old, believe it or not, one of my greatest assets is my imagination. What? I thought only kids use their imagination. Yeah, I am a kid. I'm a big kid. I would recommend you guys never grow up and harness your imagination, because if you look back at the greats and the Napoleon Hills and the Earl Nightingales and the Andrew Carnegies, their imagination is what served them very well. So I know you guys are adults and you guys don't believe in imagination anymore, but let me ask you, how's that working for you?
Yeah. Not
How's
to
it
sound
working for
corny
you?
or anything, but yeah.
Yep.
Not to sound corny or anything, but that's the power within us that we have, is our imagination. It's our mind. Neville Goddard talks a lot about how we are God, like we come from God, right? Where he created us. And if he has the power to create, so do we, right? So we also have the power to create in our life, but that's through our mind. We must create that through our mind, and but that's the power that we have, and it's within us. Not to sound corny, but it's true.
Yes, sir. We have a beautiful range. Why don't we do a fresh top-down analysis here real quick? And let's see where we are, right? So daily we know is pretty bullish. Let's stick to the 4 hour here though. So the 4 hour has been obviously pumping up for quite some time, right? As we stated in London session, that the target is most likely going to be this wick, right? So now we are finally approaching that wick as we cruise into the tail end of the New York session here, right? So we've officially kind of tapped into that zone now. So let's go ahead down to the 1 hour. Let's see what we got here. So we have resistance, right? This 1 hour candle closes in 26 minutes. I think this range here is going to be left for wicks and fake outs, right? So I'm not going to take any buys in this range here. Going to leave this for either wick rejections or the opportunities to potentially catch a fake out back below the range here, right? So we can possibly reject for the remainder of the day, as the daily candle may want to start to pull back a little bit. So looking at the 1 hour, looking at the 30 minute, we've also kind of closed a little bit above this, or right at it, right? We closed right at that range, so that's nice. 15 minutes starting to lose some steam here. So if we can get a nice little rejection off the 15, I think we've got some decent range to come down now, right? 111 pips. But the idea is that we're probably going to need a closure back below the range, right? If we can get a closure back below, I think that'll be perfect. So yeah, that's the deal right now. Not really interested in the buys until we kind of pull back a bit, and then maybe buys later. But as of right now, just gonna wait on the downfall here. Wait on the drop.
Yeah, closure below that range there looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're struggling too. We're starting to struggle a little bit.
Definitely don't want to take a buy now.
No.
That's for sure.
That was a rookie mistake of mine. Let's take a buy after the move already happened.
Yeah.
Take a buy at the top, why not? Give it a shot.
Yeah. Got another book recommendation? Oh,
Yeah, Rob.
nice. Let's go. Because I don't know. No, I sleep good. I sleep extremely well. I don't sleep a lot, but I sleep well. Yeah. Matthew Walker, Why We Need Sleep. Sounds like some of you guys are concerned with my sleep schedule. No, trust me, I sleep like a baby. Yeah, anytime I go to sleep, I sleep good. It's just, when do I get to sleep? TP
Yeah,
for
Rafi,
gold?
bro, sleep stops got activated through that meditation.
My TP for
By
gold is
accident.
right there, Wicksville. Yeah, John did one of the Rafi meditations from the first boot camp, and that was it.
I didn't even mean to fall asleep. Meant to stay up. It happens, yeah. Yep.
Yeah,
What are you gonna
last
What
thing
do you
I
wanna
said to
do?
John was, yo, come to New York early.
Woke up, it's 10 a.m. I woke up, I'm like, what do you want to do? On to the next, bro, you know?
True. I'll be right back.
What's up, Cannon? Yeah, I like buys. I like waiting for the pullback for buys, definitely. Same here. Get a nice pullback, buy off support, right? Once we made a high. Yeah. See, I made
Yeah, me too.
the mistake I would make in this situation is just simply taking a buy after the move already happened, right? So, yeah, the lesson was to wait for the pullback in these cases and take it off of fresh support.
Yeah, because we would most like to take those buyers off the support and take ourselves off the resistance. And look where the nearest support is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Travis, fade sales looks good here.
What's up, Travis? What's up, Chief Joseph? Yeah, let's go, bro. 3 Magic Words by Us. I never read that book.
Nah, me too. Didn't read it.
Yeah. What is yeah, nice. How is that book, Chief Joseph? You like it? Yo, FX fell same, bro. I thought I was too.
You are in
I
your
was,
mind.
yeah, I am in my mind, yep. I woke up and I'm like, this ain't a Bugatti, bro. Damn, I gotta work harder.
Oh yeah, Chief Joseph, that's insane. Yeah, powerful meditations after each chapter.
Nice,
Sounds
Chief
good.
Joseph.
Love those books. Love spiritual books too.
Nice, Chief Joseph. You like meditating daily? Um,
Damn, Kenneth, yeah. Amen,
Sir
man.
Kenneth. Amen, bro. We did, man.
Powerful message right there.
Facts, bro.
Wow.
Filled with the Holy Spirit, bro. Amen to that.
Spot on, man. Wow.
Yo, Louis G. What's up, bro? Filled with the Holy Spirit. Yeah, Chad, how we doing though? How's everyone's New York session been?
Yeah, did you guys take any trades?
Yeah. Looks like we've just been juicing up, kind of. Here.
Oh, nice, George.
What's up, George? What's up, brother? How you doing, man? Yeah, you all know the vibes though. Another day, be patient and disciplined to the system. Focus on building good habits. That's what I'm focused on today.
W, man. What else can we do?
Exactly. We can only control the controllables. What you
Fire.
input, you
Yeah.
output into equal proportion. So if you got bad trading habits, you're gonna have bad trading results. If you got good trading habits, you'll have good trading results. This is where we're putting the work in. This is where we're sowing the seeds, right? In the book of Genesis, God talks about how he gives us, all humans, all existence in life. He gives us a herb seed for us to multiply and prosper with. And the seeds are out there, right? This God gives us the seeds to do anything we want in life, but are you gonna plant it and are you gonna work it? That's the big question, right?
Wow. Yeah. True.
Oh, so yeah, remember what we sow, we reap today, and that goes for your trading habits as well.
Yeah, and Isaac Newton said it too, that for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. So for everything that we input in, we get out.
Correct. Yes, sir. And the mind is just like the land, right? It doesn't care what we plant, it's gonna return it. It's a double-edged sword, y'all. So it can work for, you know, it could have a positive effect on you and a negative effect on you as well. It's all in how you're using it, right? That's what Earl Nightingale talks about.
I love that man. Earl Nightingale. Listen to The Strangest Secret probably like 100 times.
Yeah, same, bro. Strangest Secret is fire. Yo, chat,
Yeah.
if you guys have not yet, if there's someone in the chat who has not yet listened to Earl Nightingale, The Strangest Secret, I want you to do that today. Please do it today. Take my advice.
The first time I heard it, it was like a long time ago, and I thought, what is this? And then I
Right.
listened to it, and my mind was blown more than imaginable, man. It was insane.
Yes.
Yeah.
Seriously, man.
Yeah.
I thought I
Andreas, the
unlocked the
voice.
hacks, man.
Yeah. Just the life hack.
Yeah, Alexandros. I mean, he just says it, right? In The Strangest Secret, he says that, you know, every successful individual, they disagreed on many things, but it's this one thing that they all agree on. It's this one thing that they all agree creates success. It makes success is that we become what we think about, right? And that's the slight edge between most men who are successful and unsuccessful, is just the fact that they separate themselves just because of thinking. One of them thinks, and one of them doesn't. So one of them gets a problem, thinks for a solution. One of them gets a problem and doesn't think of anything. And remember that Earl Nightingale also talks about in The Strangest Secret how a man can only be a failure if he doesn't know where he's going. Right? So you can only fail in this game if you have no goal, if you have no idea what you're doing. Right? And just like us, if you were to sail a ship without a map, without some guidance, you would only end nowhere, right? Because you have no destination. So in order to get somewhere, we need to have a goal, so we know where we're going.
Gold, baby, gold.
But yes, sir, Alexandros, that's some those are some gems from the audio.
Yeah, and what's wrong with men today? Men simply don't think.
Right.
Yeah.
Yep. Men simply don't think, and men simply like to follow a follower, right? The opposite of
Conformity, you mean?
Yeah, yep. The opposite of, courage is not cowardice, but it's conformity. So you do
Yes.
everything everyone else does, right? And that's the last thing you want to be, is a follower of a follower, the blind leading the blind.
Yeah, the
right?
worst part is that they don't know why, and they don't know what they're doing, and they don't know for what purpose.
Right. Yep. Yeah, exactly, Magnus. You can go up to anyone in the world at any point and be like, yo, sir, why are you doing what you're doing? Are you working this job? And they simply have no answer. They wouldn't be able to tell you.
Exactly, yeah.
True. Oh, here we go. Is this going to be the fall?
Hey, give it a listen, Alexandros.
Thank you, Sebastian, yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Hey, I think we should do some giveaways. What do you guys think? You guys want to do some giveaways? We got some 25K challenge accounts thanks to Top One Trader. I think we got some giveaways while we wait on the closure here. So I would not try and fade this on this bullish rally, but I would maybe wait for a closure and then possibly take some sells there. Giveaway time. Giveaway time. Giveaway time. Yeah, let's do some giveaways. We'll do some 25K account giveaways. I think we have like 8 or 9, maybe 10. Maybe 10? Yeah. TK. 10 or 5? 5 to 10. 5 to 10.
TK's on work.
5 to 10. Somewhere in that area. It just depends how I'm feeling. 5 is good? All right, Slam Dunk said 5 is good. So if you guys think 5 is good, we'll cap it right at 5. No issues, no issues.
You put it in the work, man.
Oh, man. All right, so let me think for a moment. Let me use my brain before you guys blow up the chat. Everyone knows my favorite numbers already. 8s and 5s, baby. 8s and 5s. Yeah, let's do some giveaways here. Let's pick I don't know, how should we do this? Let me think. Yeah, let's get the chat in here. And I think what we could do is we can do a few where we'll stop it on certain individuals. And then maybe we'll do the numbers game too. Yeah. So Johnny Gems, why don't you tell me when to stop, and I will stop and pick the first. Whoever I click on will win the first one. So you tell me when to stop, and I'll stop.
All right, let's see who is going to attract this account. I don't know. I'll give it some time, fill it out, and stop.
Slam Dunk one.
Hey, that's a slam dunk right there.
Oh no, I'm sorry. Tom won.
Tom,
congratulations, man.
Tom,
yes,
congrats,
sir.
bro.
Yes, sir. Look at all the days that Tom has commented. Let me make sure Tom has not quaked first. Hold on. No, I don't see any quaking by Tom. I see some.
Yo, sorry, slam dunk.
I see some interest in the fade. All right. Tom, you are it. Congratulations, TK. You got that one? W. All right, Magnus, why don't you give it a run here? Just let me know when to stop.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Okay, let's see. Stop.
Oh, let me stop. Hold on. Do it again. Oh, read
Okay,
it.
yeah, sure.
Yeah, Nick, you gotta be on your toes.
One more time.
It didn't click. Hold on. Let me get my clicking down. Click.
And stop.
Oh, it didn't click again.
Oh my god.
Hold on.
Stop.
This is a practice one. Let me see if it's better to click.
Okay,
here.
sure.
Oh
No,
my
you
God,
can't do a
this is
practice
tough.
one, bro.
Nah, you can't do a practice one.
Yeah, the person who's on the
All right,
practice is gonna
All right, Mr. Smith.
call game, bro.
W. Hold on. Let me make sure he's not.
Oh,
a
he's
quaker.
commented a lot. Yeah.
Do the right thing and pay the fee. I like this guy, Mr. Smith. Give him an account. Get him a 25K account right now. Look at this. W's nothing but support. Let's go. I like doing it this way.
Who is that? What's his name? Mr. Smith?
Smith, baby. Let's go. Appreciate you, Mr. Smith. All right, let's do
Congrats,
another
bro.
one here. All right,
Me?
I'm just gonna. Yeah. You do it.
And stop.
Oh. Harsh.
Oh, harsh. Oh,
Hey,
Harsh, that's
alright,
a
bet.
W.
Let's
Let me
go.
make
Let's
sure.
go, Harsh.
I don't think Harsh is
Harsh.
a Quaker, but let me make sure. No,
I don't
Harsh
think
is-
he is.
No.
Harsh is good.
Harsh is the man. W. Look
I remember
at him. He's
Harsh
always,
pulling up a couple months ago. What's up,
always
bro?
trying to get educated. W. All right, let's do another one. How many is that? 3? Let's do a clubhouse. Let's do 2 or 3 in the clubhouse. Yeah, let's jump over to
go.
the clubhouse chat real quick, and then we will jump back into the YouTube
Let's
chat.
go, Clubhouse. Let's
All
get
right.
popping.
Oh, let's get it.
Clubhouse
get
chat,
poppin'.
ripping. Oh my God! I don't
Let's
think
start ripping.
I'm not gonna be able to grab one.
Nah. All right, Louis G.
All right, let's see if I can grab him here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm just gonna fire away. Grab it, grab it. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm clicking. I can't even grab anyone. Let me see. Oh man, it's too quick. There's too much motion. Yo, it's gonna be impossible in the clubhouse. Legit. Yeah. I can't even click on them. Damn. All right, I think we gotta go back to. Let me see. Let me just pick a. Who do you guys see in this spew in the clubhouse
30
that you guys think has been putting in the work here? You gotta be able to read fast. Read fast. Oh my gosh. Damn. How about I just highlight someone? Yeah, like a highlight someone. Whoops.
Do we just pick someone?
I'm just gonna highlight someone in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Sorry. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Damn, I can't. It
It's
grabs
working
everyone.
well.
Clubhouse built different, bro.
Still different.
Yo. Oh, maybe. Oh, yeah. Here's what I could do. I can comment. So you see the little comment? Let me line up with the comment here. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Just gonna fire away here, man. Damn. Yeah, I can't get it.
Tough, bro.
Damn, Clubhouse.
Too fast.
Damn. Yeah, that's gonna be impossible. I'm not sure how to do that. I know nothing's impossible, but that one might be a little impossible.
Maybe you can just pick one that's been consistent in here or something.
How about I just
Yeah,
stop
right.
it? Ready? 1, 2, 3, boom. Traders Next Door is the winner.
Oh,
Traders
Traders
Next
Next
Door
Door.
is the winner. Oh my God, 100 comments.
Nice, bro.
All right, let's pick one more from the clubhouse. One more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pedro. W Pedro. W. We'll do one more from the clubhouse. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this thing running up. Look at it. Holy. All right.
Anyone
That's
trying to
insane.
take themselves there?
Motion. Yo, what's up with this?
Tough take sells there.
All right, one more
Yeah,
from the
there's no topic.
clubhouse. 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1. Pips Hunter. W, bro. W. All right, back to YouTube. What's that? 6?
Mhm.
6? All right, back to YouTube.
I don't know,
All right,
bro.
you ready, YouTube?
You keeping count?
We'll do three more on YouTube and then one more on Clubhouse, and that'll make it 10. All right, Clubhouse is just packing here. All right, 3 more here on YouTube. All right, ready? I'm just gonna freeze it here. Why don't you guys let me know when to freeze it, John?
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, freeze it.
Harishi. Hold on. Make sure
It was
I'm not
meant to be.
quaking. Oh, what are these hidden messages?
Ooh,
Oh.
we're evaluating
Do
this
I
right
open it
now.
up in front of everyone? Let's take it over here to the referees so they can get a little evaluation on what these hidden messages are. Oh, baby.
Let's look for the
They
broken
couldn't
rules.
be any better than they are. Not only is he preaching 8-figure trader, he's talking about 9-figure traders. Give that man an
Okay.
account, man. Give
I
that
like
man
him.
an account.
I like him.
Holy. Wow. I'm putting full trust on this trade. Look at that, man. Give this guy an account.
Hey, yo.
Sheesh.
That's savage.
Give this man an account. Why don't you?
Man say he's going full margin.
All right. Two more here in YouTube. Two more. Magnus, you want to do the honors on this one?
Should I just say stop?
Yep, just let me know. You say the word.
Okay, man. Stop.
Louis G.
Oh,
wins.
Oh,
Louis G.
wow.
Wow. We talked about Louis G. All right, I'll let you guys. We'll Louis G. You'll get an account, but he won't count. We'll still do 3 more. 'Cause
Okay.
He's a
Louis
mob.
G,
He's mob
bro.
squad. He gets anything he wants. All right, 3 more for the clubhouse.
Gee, I gave you that energy.
Yeah, you did. You did. Go ahead. Why don't you pick another stoppage?
Oh,
Who did it last time? Magnus? Yeah, Magnus.
Yeah,
Go
me.
ahead, Magnus.
Yeah, okay. Sure.
W's.
Chat, your account's in Magnus's hand now.
And stop.
Mohammed Prince. FG,
Mohammed
FG,
Prince.
FG. Hold on, hold on, hold
Congrats,
on.
Prince.
Hold on. Oh, this one may have to come
up
into
for review.
examination. We are up for review, Mohammed. He's good. He's good.
Okay, we get scam on.
Just 8s.
We're good. It's DF, little
Okay.
little blah blah, you know.
He said good job down there, yeah.
Yes, good job. Holy. 5. Look, he knows my
Just don't
favorite
spam
numbers.
again, bro.
He knows my favorite numbers. Yeah, get this man an account. Get him an account.
Don't do it again.
Don't do it. All right, here we go. I think this is the last one on YouTube, right? Last YouTube pick.
No idea.
Yeah, I think so. That would be. All right, here we go. John, you want to make the call?
All right, yeah. 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. Pick. Stop.
Oh, Mr. Smith almost got it again.
It's a cur.
Pronounce it.
The Cur Sab G295. The Cur Sab G.
Skirt.
www. Yeah, give this man a damn account. Why don't we, man? Give him an account. Oh, he's gotten 1 timeout. That's okay. That's okay.
It's not looking good on the report card there, buddy.
No, he's looking good. He's looking good.
Just trolling, bro.
He's
I'm just
getting
trolling.
spammed for W's. Give this man an account. The mods don't like
Just
you, but
trolling.
I love you, man. I love you.
That's cool.
All right, that's YouTube for us.
No green.
And now we
Yeah,
pick
TK.
one more from the clubby.
Sorry about my counting. It comes from the public school system.
You can only use that excuse for so long, John.
I know, right? I'm just trolling, chat. Trolling.
All right, one more clubhouse member, and
I'm here
then
to trade.
we are off. Whoa, here. All right, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Xander gets an account. Holy Xander, you better play the lottery today, bro. Wow.
Xander, damn, let's go, bro. Congrats.
Let's go. W. Wiz Buddha, don't worry,
Nice
man.
job.
Shoot me a text, bro. Shoot me a text. I might be able to do something for you. Oh man. All right. I think that's the day for me. Let's see. I think we might take this party into the clubhouse. I hope you guys didn't try and fade this. Wait for that closure, and I think it'll be much better trade. Yeah.
Also, no topic there.
Yeah. No top wick here. We will have more accounts to give away next week. I promise. Congratulations, everyone. We hope that that you would take these accounts serious and that you would either use them for data collection or to really go ahead and build your confidence and build up your system and your consistency to that system. Yeah. Cool. I think we're good. I think we can head out. It's Friday. Glory to the Father. He has blessed the week for us. I think our time is done here, my friends. Yeah.
All right, bet. Sounds good. It was a great week. Yes,
sir. That's my cue. Elite mentorship session now. That's my cue.
Yeah, guess who it's?
I'm a holla at you guys. I'll see you guys. Everyone in the clubhouse, we'll see you guys in the webinar. Very, very important webinar this week. Don't miss it. If you can be there, be there. Grab some notepads. Come in ready to learn. We're going to do that webinar. If you're not in the clubhouse, you got 24 hours exactly to get in if you want to be a part of the webinar here tomorrow. But everyone else, we will see you guys back here on Monday. And the rest of you guys, I'll see you over the weekend in the clubhouse. Cool. Great week.
All right.
Way to stay disciplined, way to stay patient, and make it a green week here. So we'll do the same thing next week. All right, gang?
Sounds good,
John,
boys.
Magnus?
Yeah, sounds real good.
Talk to you boys later. Have a good day, chat. I hope you guys have a great day and a blessed weekend. I'll see you guys Monday.
All right,
Yeah,
boys.
stay blessed, man. Have a good weekend.
Later, Gators.
Stay blessed. Peace, boys. You too, Magnus.
Yeah,
All
see
right,
ya.
chat. Mods, appreciate you guys
Peace.
as always. Chat, love y'all. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Enjoy the weekend. I hope you had a green week, and you know, let's carry that momentum into next week. All right. Love y'all. Have a great one. Be easy. We'll see you guys on Monday. Later, gang. Peace.
Say it's holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant. This is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it. I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it. I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.
I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no luck. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no luck. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spit in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy, and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah. This all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm
down. Now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed landed on my feet like a feline. Put them back in the seat like a recline. Ayy, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big, big, big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick, 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 boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff. Probably thought it was a bluff till I went and turned it where?
I was down, but now I'm up.